Are you gonna kill me?
Are you gonna kill me?
That boy sus.
I need to kill Jordan.
This is so stupid.
I know it is. I know it is. I know it is.
Hello everyone, I am in Los Angeles for Among Us in Real Life Photo Edition Part 2 with The Squad.
We said if you got
This game, I could not be killed, but this game,
you're dead.
Oh, Jordan!
I've got my own personal cameraman, but the rest of them, they'll be vlogging.
There's gonna do that one.
I'm sorry.
It's fine. It's okay. I don't even care.
I've got a special mask.
I am filling up the bubble maker. I don't really know what I'm doing. I think I poured it in here. There.
And I just have to do some tasks.
You ready for this? First try, baby. Dang it. I'm determined to get this. I got it, finally.
All right, let me get a photo of you. Everybody, come here. I need one other crew member.
Can I dump it on Lev's head?
1, 2, 3, go. Okay, one task down.
I don't know what to do, but everyone's together.
How's it going?
The live Jordan. Jordan looks so sus right now. Jordan looks so sus.
Okay, I guess I gotta undo the wires. Guys, I'm really nervous. I'm too nice to kill anyone.
There's a key that I have to find in this bathroom.
Okay. I'm gonna do the water. Why are you so sus with the broom?
Who found Eliana?
Me. Lev was the last person to come through the door. So I'm a little suspicious of Lev.
I did see Eliana upstairs on security cams.
I personally think Claire is an imposter. Why? Pretty sus.
3, 2,
I'm skipping.
Claire.
So 5 votes for Claire. Claire.
You guys are stupid. I'm a crewmate.
Oh!
Hold up, I can't do this.
Alright guys, I guess it wasn't Claire.
Is this completed?
Yeah, I completed it.
Okay, come on down here.
I don't know what to do.
Okay.
There you go. I don't know what I'm doing, but I gotta take a photo, okay?
I like it.
There we go, hold it right there. That is the weirdest looking photo I've ever taken, but it counts.
Yeah.
What's hard about the lead?
I'm not the imposter. How do I prove my innocence?
Are you gonna kill me?
Are you gonna kill me?
No. You literally just saw me do a task.
We'll see how this goes. Dunk your hair completely in the thing, and then you go like this. Yeah. And it's gonna look really cool.
I'm wondering if Jordan might kill me.
Dead body! Dead body!
The body.
Dead body. Dead body.
Oh, jeez.
Connor!
Got it.
Did you get killed eating, Connor?
You saw me on the cameras, and then I walk in. I finish the task, and Connor's dead in the kitchen.
I saw Aiden coming from the kitchen kind
And
of area.
Aiden was
Jordan,
Yeah.
Jensen, and Piper were upstairs by security right at the end.
And
I say Aiden.
What
I'm
if
sorry.
it-
I think
what
it's
if-
1, 2, 3.
Emily, Aiden has been voted as an imposter. Are you an imposter?
I am an imposter.
I gotta go upstairs by myself because Key and Ben, they're both upstairs. If I get 2 photos of that, it's over.
I need to kill Jordan. I need to kill him.
Come on in here, Simone. I'm gonna do this photo. I'm gonna go get a Key photo. This thing's over. Go. Jump, curl your legs, do this. I think we're gonna win this. Like this. Jump, curl. This is what you're gonna do. You leap up and you...
It is Emily. It is Emily. She killed Jordan. Matter.
Simone, killed Jordan.
Then why'd you
No,
run
I
away?
don't
Killed Jordan.
3,
1. Is he?
As many of you might know already, we're trying to get to 10 million subscribers by the end of 2021. This week's featured subscriber is Natalie Osa. Connor, let's see what she won.
Let's see it!
What did she win?
$100!
Natalie, I'm going to email you $100. Congratulations.
Subscribe right now.
And turn on those notifications. You never know, it might be you next week.
This round, the imposters know who they are.
Imposters only, heads up.
1, 2, 3. There's Piper. Looking out cute.
That was the weirdest thing.
Why am I so freaked out?
I think it's because people can actually kill you now. You're scared.
I am scared. Everybody here is sus.
I call connect wires.
I've literally wanted to do that for the last 2 rounds.
Why is it going this way? I'm going to sweep these leaves.
This takes some muscle.
All of them are in here. Hey, listen, when somebody gets it in, call out, okay?
This could be hard.
I did it! Let's go! I want to go find the key, Simone. I'm looking for the key right now.
Would somebody finish the task, please? Wires are done. Let's go. Connor, come here. Come here. I'm going to get a photo of you.
Did you already start doing this task? This one doesn't enough. Okay, I think that's good enough.
I'm going to finish it.
They lied! I know who it is! I know who it is! I know who it is!
There's some good photos to be taken.
Simone and Eliana, and they are in the room doing the bed, and then I walk in, I see Simone dead just laying there. It's Eliana, no, listen to me! And she came running through!
Didn't I see you up there too?
Yes.
Yes. He was looking really sus at me as he walked by, and then all of a sudden, you're finding a dead body. I don't know. Eliana might have left. I'm not certain enough it's Eliana. Time to
Jordan
vote.
is vouching for her. Yeah, she came sprinting by past Jordan.
I was not sprinting.
Yes, you were. One.
Is it Eliana?
Yeah, okay, Jordan. One, two, three.
Jordan's suspicious to me. Very, very, very suspicious.
Okay, are you done?
Jordan is suspicious to me, too. It's definitely Jordan. Detective Aiden over here, I found it out, but I think Jordan was defending Eliana because he is the other imposter.
I just want to get. Oh, you're not even close to done. Connor, let's get our photo. Remember?
Jordan! Emergency meeting! Emergency meeting!
This is so stupid. They're calling an emergency meeting to vote me out, and it's stupid.
Why do we think it's him?
He was trying to lure Connor to take a photo. He was gonna kill me!
This is a big mistake. Don't do it. Don't do it. How many votes?
You're out.
I was not an imposter.
Fast, huh?
Because couldn't wait to see you, Jensen.
Dead body! Dead body! It's you. Oh my god, it's Jensen! It's Jensen!
No, it's not. It's literally not.
I think I know.
Guys, I knew it was Jensen. What?
Jensen was running up the stairs. No, I didn't.
I find Connor dead in the front yard, and then who I see right on top of the stairs is Jensen.
Right before that, he ran up the stairs, and then now Jenna's claiming that I ran up the stairs. She wasn't even in the room.
Piper comes running up the stairs. She says, because I was so excited to see you, Jensen. And then she gives me a hug.
Does that really sound like something I would do?
Time to vote.
That doesn't feel, I feel like Piper wouldn't do such a thing. Yeah, I don't know. That sounds weird. We have skipped. This is what my life has been building up to. This photo.
Okay.
If you weren't there, I would be voted out right now.
Why are you guys looking at me like that?
We're very sad.
Because I'm suspicious of you.
Claire! I'm really sad.
I'm sad now.
Ghost Jordan, I'm gonna need you to dump all of these on Aiden. You're cool. Alright, yeah, chill. Oh, that's so cool! Let's go!
If Lebanon is an imposter, he should have killed by now.
Oh my god, this is so pretty. They can only just fly away.
I know it's you.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. Stop it! Emergency meeting!
Emergency meeting?
I called it!
I think Piper is the imposter. But this is smart. She's calling an emergency meeting.
They are like harassing me.
I just
They're
said
being
kill me.
very- You didn't even see what happened, so why are you talking? I live with Piper, okay? And she never gets this defensive.
No, actually, I'm gonna vote for Jensen. Me too.
What? I'll skip.
Okay, I'll skip.
I know it's you.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
I know it's you.
No, you don't.
Everyone else is stupid. They don't listen.
They almost voted you.
I know.
That's so funny.
Is
Okay.
it funny because you're the imposter?
Emergency meeting! I'm the imposter! I can't do this anymore!
Boss is having a meltdown.
I can't do it!
I was interrogating her, and then she just gave up.
I did! I just spilled the beans! So I did kill Connor, but Eliana didn't kill anyone!
You weren't supposed to
I killed
say
Simone!
You just confessed?
Piper, you were about to cry.
I was about to cry.
The moment you've been waiting for, Couples Among Us. We have 3 regular couples,
Satan,
Jelliana.
Liper.
and we have 2 friendship couples.
Couple of besties.
What's good? It's J-Con.
We've come up with 5 new couple tasks. Decorate cookies. Arrange rose petals into a heart. Find and recreate a celebrity couple's photo. Make a Valentine's card. Spell out your couple's name with sweet tarts. Each real couple has to do this one task. Before we start, if we can get 200,000 likes on this video, we will do part 3 in a haunted house. For this round, I cannot be killed. There will be 1 imposter couple. I'm gonna pick them right now. Everybody, close your eyes. Everything's gonna have to be a double kill. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
Of course, I know who the imposter is, so I'm just taking photos, but I can't really give anything away.
Should we do Bryson Addison? We should do Bryson Addison. That's what we should do.
Let's ask him first.
Why don't you do Jelliana? By the way, Jelliana is my favorite relationship name ever.
It's taking a really long time. Don't eat our
Nobody will ever know.
Hey, how about this? I record and you do all the work.
I don't want to do a little work.
So we're supposed to make a heart, right?
Yeah.
It's like a broken heart. Jordan! Addison Ray and Bryce Hall.
I'll take a photo of the photo. Let's go. Outside with the screen. Oh, you're on camera. See that expression?
Yeah. I say he does, so let's not kill him.
You're giving that sassy Addison look? Here we go.
Gotta do a
Ready?
little bit of this action.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Nice, got it. Okay.
Awesome.
Move on.
I want to cut out the heart.
No, we both do it. We both have to cut out a heart. Mine, I love you, hashtag like it.
I just put I love you there.
Ah, thank you.
No.
We can still make cookies.
Hi, we're making cookies and we trust each other.
You know, I don't know if you know this about me, but I'm really good at decorating cookies. Little corner to be pink, right?
You're either gonna kill us or...
You guys don't kill us and we can trust each other.
Exactly.
Guys, look at my cookie. This one's an ombre one. I have
First
a
bite, here we
feeling
go.
it's Satan. I think it's kind of... Those cookies are so good.
Jordan,
I need
hi.
your help.
This is a heart?
Yeah.
It's like a broken heart. I don't know.
Okay. I think I have to paint it around you. Just lay right here. Find
Should we,
where
like,
the,
hold
what?
hands, maybe,
What?
or-
Yes. I'm just gonna have to sprinkle everywhere. Okay? This is kind of fun just to do. Oh, but chin up. Chin's up. Yeah, there you go. That's 2 photos.
Cookie.
You look great.
I look like a lion.
You look beautiful.
There you go. We're really bad at killing people.
I'm sorry.
Let's try to go for the library. They're in the kitchen alone. And
They're trying to kill us, I feel like.
Why? Why do you feel like that, Lev? Huh? Pretty sus.
That's done. I'm pulling you away.
No! Just let me finish it. If you love me, let me finish it. If you love me, let me finish it. Thank you.
Let's surprise each other with a note, okay?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, hello, happy almost Valentine's Day. Oh.
You guys, okay. Hold both of the notes straight at me. There we go, right there. Hold it right there.
Let's go.
Run. We're gonna just. They're a little suspicious.
Guys, we finished our hashtag jelly. Look.
Well, don't lay on Jelliana.
Okay, I won't.
That's beautiful.
Hey, that was our heart.
This is very.
No, we didn't. Is anyone dead? I don't know.
I don't see anyone. Besides you guys. Connor, I
so
knew it.
dumb.
I knew it.
too.
I knew it. To Aiden from Simone.
Aw, that's so cute.
Wait, you ready?
It's a cookie stand.
Do you want to eat it?
Look at that, it looks so cute.
Just snuggle up in some good way. I can do a thing.
Okay, so what kind of photo do you want?
Yeah, let's look for the couple photo.
No, I don't want to do a Charlie D'Amelio one. Let's do a better one.
How dare you?
I said to Maya that she tried to kill me. Where's Connor and Jenna?
Where's Jaycon? Where's Jaycon?
We're dead?
We have found 2 dead bodies. Let's go inside.
I'd like to say they're really sus.
I went halfway. I saw Jensen and Eliana both on the floor, and then Simone came up to me and she goes, "You're dead," after I called dead body.
I think they're making up a story. You guys are sus. You're making up a story.
Are you guys the imposters?
They are. They are.
Everybody remember to subscribe to all those people. Links in the description. And remember...
200,000 likes for part 3 of Among Us in a haunted house.
My daughter Salish and her best friend Nadal say they are dating, and you won't believe the wild secrets we're gonna reveal today.
Does Kato know about this?
Yeah.
Then he won't mind if I ask him. I want you to be honest with me. What is their relationship status?
Bro, why would you bring that up? And this might be the hardest video we ever filmed for me.
Salish, I've known you for 7 years.
What is happening right now?
Let's put this on.
This is where I just leave the set now. In all seriousness, this is
Oh my god, they're kissing.
What?
What is their relationship status?
That's crazy that you brought that up, bro, because they're dating.
Somebody take the phone from me. This is real.
And to test if they're really dating, I've invited 6 couples, but only one of them is real. The couples will compete in a series of extreme relationship challenges. Oh my gosh. And at the end, a guest judge will try to select the real couple.
Who said I love you first? 1, 2, 3, flip.
Oh my God, this is Yo! So the question is my daughter Salish actually dating Nadal, or are they faking it? This is the guest judge, Kevin Lang from The Kevin Lang Show, the world's absolute best guesser. Everybody always remember, you also have to try and guess which one of them is the real couple.
Here, everybody introduce yourself. Tell me your name and how you met, starting with you, number 1.
We met at CFJ camp and I saw him and I was like, I need to make him my man. And that's exactly what I did, because I don't miss, okay?
Everybody pause. What are they giggling about? We can't hear ourselves. You're giggling over there so much. Number 2.
Well, hi, my name is Reef.
I'm Sydney.
Sorry, she has a lot of energy. She has a lot of energy.
I'm Sydney. What?
We're both dating separate people when we first met.
And so we had breakups at the same time.
I figured them out. He definitely likes her.
So if they're not dating, you might want to deal with the reality that you have a crush on your friend.
All right, number 3, step on up.
This is, you can feel it.
It just felt kind of magical right away. We just had so much in common and had so much chemistry right off the bat.
Whichever one of the couples is picked at the end by Kevin to be the real couple wins $1,000, whether or not they're the real couple. But if Kevin picks the real couple, he also wins $1,000.
I'm getting money.
If you pick the right couple, you're getting money.
What is this button for?
Oh, this red button, you're gonna find out later. Couple number 4.
There's a big quiz coming up after lunch. I saw her studying and like struggling, so I went in there, helped her out.
So what did that make you feel like when he came up to you?
I already thought he was like cute, and I thought it was like really sweet of him.
All right, thank you. Number
Not
4.
sold, but not unsold. I've done over 100 guessing episodes, and I've never been wrong. And today's not that day.
Number 5. This is so weird. This is so.
What is this? What's going on? I'm Rowan.
They work for me.
Oh, this is gonna be good.
No, wait, hold on.
Oh, this is gonna be good then?
Wait, just wait a second. Either they're dating behind my back or I'm getting pranked in front of millions. Either way, it's a bad deal.
We started dating 3 months ago.
Play the clip of Dell's TikTok. When he's over 6 foot and has blue eyes. Was that TikTok, Dell, about Rowan?
For legal purposes, I don't remember that TikTok.
You know what? I don't even need to hear it. Could you just go back? I can't look at you guys anymore. Just go back. Go. If they're the real couple, that's gonna freak me out.
We looking at him.
There was a problem that she was doing videos with Kato.
Oh!
Kato has made it very clear he has a crush on Salish. And recently, Salish asked him to dinner.
Do you want to go to dinner?
Not a problem. I always have liked her. I just never like really talked to her.
Okay.
And whenever she started talking to Kato, I kind of wanted to shoot my shot and like get there before he could, you know?
So you feel like you should have done it sooner? What, Salish, where is Kato right now?
He's in San Diego.
What do you think? Sitting in the car looking out the window?
Oh yeah, for
You know
sure.
who's not in San Diego?
Okay.
You have a lot on your hands.
That was way more believable than I wanted it to be. Nadal, I have to ask you about this TikTok you posted. Are you saying Salish is your soulmate?
I don't know, man. Okay, let me ask you this.
What is happening right now? It's the worst thing ever. Were you dating when you asked Kato out to dinner?
No,
So you
we were talking
You were talking before you asked Kato out.
because I want to see like all my options.
As you should. Hey, as you should. I mean, what? That's crazy.
My daughter!
No, not his daughter.
What? Okay, hold on. This is not happening. It's hot in here, right?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Okay.
You know what's fine with it because Nidal and Kato are like best friends, right? Well, not best friends, but you guys are like twins.
You hear her ask him to dinner. What's your reaction?
I gotta ask her first. I gotta get
You
there
gotta walk
first before
in.
they actually go, because they haven't went yet and we already went.
Why don't you talk to her about how you felt when she asked? Hey, Jordan, I'm figuring this out for you, bro. Don't worry about it. When she asked Kato out to dinner, tell her how that made you feel.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. A little bit jealous.
Okay, no,
Just a little
but I asked him before we were dating.
Based on that, it looks like they are dating.
Dude.
Are you more nervous about Kato or Jordan?
Loki, I'm scared of my dad.
I would be too.
If this is the reveal video, first, I'm honored to be here. Second, we're gonna get to the end and this is gonna blow everybody's mind.
You've been like dating for how long?
I liked him when we like first met, and then we started talking like August 1st.
As far as I know, you guys are dating, but there's an outstanding dinner date with Kato that's upcoming.
Yeah.
So what happens with that?
How would you feel about that, Needle? Because I'm supposed to go tomorrow.
We
so
already went
with
on
you
a Oh no.
Is this the emergency button?
Can we be done with this video?
They still haven't gone on the dinner and we already went on our 2 dates, so it's like Kato was kind of like shooting and I already hit the 3-pointer, you know.
What?
Bro, Kato's at home punching air.
So are you going with him tomorrow?
Oh! She's going on that dinner tomorrow.
You know what? Go back. This is, you're good. Thank you very much.
Thank you guys. Y'all did great. The only person to blame here is you.
What did I do?
You photographed him years ago. You set this up.
I think I would know if they're actually dating. Kevin is now about to eliminate one couple.
Right now?
Could you just eliminate Salish and Nadal and call it a day?
No, because guessing is fun, but watching you go through this is way more fun.
When Kevin calls your number, you're gonna step forward as a couple and you will be eliminated. And then we'll find out after you do that if you were right.
Obviously, there's your daughter, which I'm not gonna send home just yet. Watch.
Just do it.
Now, watching you suffer is so much fun.
All right, Kevin, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
It is time to eliminate the first couple.
1.
Oh, no! 1! Before we find out if he was right, comment below. Do you think it was number 1? Yes or no? Are you a real couple? No! You got it right! All right.
Yeah.
I'm sorry you didn't win $1,000, but that was a good effort. Thank you so much. All right, let's give it up for couple 1. It is down to 5 couples on to round 2. I don't think Salish and Nadal are actually dating. I mean, they seem like they are, but I can't imagine they are, so I'm saying it's not couple number 6. Let me tell you what this red button is. From here on out, every elimination runs through this button. Press it on the real couple. Okay, everybody! And you'll pay them $1,000. Next. All right, but press it on a fake couple.
They're looking at their work schedule together.
And you'll cash in $1,000 for every correct elimination.
Okay, and we back.
Currently, who do you think is most likely to be the couple?
I'm gonna say this too. Even off camera, they're getting very comfortable. So I'm going 3, 4, or 6.
Okay.
And I want to apologize for my guess.
You know what? I think I'm gonna have somebody come in and take this chair. I can't handle this. 1, 2, 3.
What's up? I should be in this.
But you need a girlfriend
Yeah,
first.
we're working on it. All right, so.
Hudson's got an idea. I'm just gonna be over here.
For this next round, one of you guys has to pick the other person up and hold them for as long as they can, and hopefully give us a little bit of insight how they deal with each other, et cetera, et cetera.
It's like a body language round. 1, 2, 3. That's crazy.
Yeah,
that's the hand placement.
What did I say? I told you.
I'm gonna pee my pants.
What'd you say?
She's gonna pee her pants.
Rhea is doing this potato sack thing.
He's getting tired first round. He's getting fired. He's also getting fired.
These two look really uncomfortable. Like he's sweating right now.
Yeah.
I know Nadal is sweating over there.
I swear I'm sure.
Nadal's sweating because Jordan's here. Y'all stay up like this. Tell me a fun fact about your girlfriend.
They all look like a couple. This is crazy.
We'll start with you, Nadal. Fun fact about your girlfriend.
She made a music video about me.
He made one about me.
Was it a love song?
Yes.
No.
I don't know what love is, but I think this is it.
Who made the love song, you or her?
Him.
Couple number 5, what is your fun fact?
I work with them 7 days a week. This is so weird.
Fun fact, there was a video a couple months ago and it ended a little early and then we both got into separate cars and then went around the block and got into the same car.
He just made that up on the spot.
And what were you guys doing in that car? Was that the first?
I'm moving on from you. Couple number 4.
She's amazing with dogs.
Okay.
I like that. I like that. I like that.
Number 3.
She likes to be a big spoon.
Oh, okay.
Is that no?
That's beautiful. We support that. Well, Hudson probably supports that. I can't speak for myself. Fun fact number 2.
She has a cat named Boots and they have the same color eyes.
True.
All right, you can put them down. You've been enjoying your time in the air. It's time to switch. Ladies, it's now your turn to carry your man.
Oh, the girls are picking up the boys. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, 3, look at 3.
Number 3 is respectable.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, wait, hold on, stop. I'll give $100 to whichever girl can hold the guy the longest. And everybody has to run in place.
Higher knees.
Everybody, come on.
Oh my God.
Oh, she's gone. What? All right, Del, you guys are done. You didn't run. Between you two.
Go, 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 go.
You gotta give it to number 4.
Oh, number 4 wins $100. Congratulations. Yeah. Okay, so that was very exciting. We're gonna move on
Wait.
to the... What? Oh, wait, you're gonna eliminate somebody?
I'm gonna eliminate somebody.
If he eliminates the actual couple, he has to give them another $1,000 and this video is over.
I forgot about that part.
If he gets it right, he gets an additional $1,000 into your pot. Are you sure you want to do this?
I have to.
Kevin, who do you want to eliminate?
I'm gonna go number 2.
Oh!
Yo! Hold on. Listen, hear me out.
Moment of truth.
I can't.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna stand next to me. Stand next to me. All right, the video continues, and you got another $1,000 in your pocket, or you're giving them $1,000, and this is over because they're a real couple. So, couple number 2, are you real or fake?
Well, you better pull out your wallet, cuz you're still gonna get $1,000 because we are not a couple. We are not a
I
couple.
knew it! Come on, let's go. I got a job to do.
We did our best. Thank
Bye,
you
guys.
guys.
Next round, photo booth. Each couple is going to pick some props, take some photos, and then show them to Kevin to see what he thinks. You can watch everything happening in the photo booth on that monitor. Okay, you got 30 seconds to pick some props. Go.
All right, baby, do you care? Just this?
Yes.
Okay, we're good. Okay.
I don't know, bro. Her arm, though. You know what it is? It's like, you know how we eliminated the other one?
Aww.
I think she's more into him than he is into her. He doesn't want to do that, bro.
I think he has a girlfriend at home.
If they're not the couple, she wants to be.
I agree with you that they might not be the couple, but then that leaves it.
Like, who else is there?
Bro, wake up.
What do you guys think?
I think they're doing too much. I think
They're trying too hard. Woo! Okay, either they're a real couple or they're gonna be a real couple. You have 30 seconds to pick your prop.
They could be real too.
Is that it?
I'm not gonna lie, I ain't never put no bunny ears on my head unless I'm with my girl. That's crazy. See, he's initiating on like the other guy, like you were saying.
And she's okay with it too.
Yes.
The kissy face.
And you see the hands?
And he looks happy.
Oh.
Right now, my number one pick's them.
I'm tied.
Between her and them Salish?
Yes.
Bro.
I don't know, 3, 4, both of them could be a real couple. What do you guys think? Start commenting your favorite below.
Act like I'm you.
What do you think about Salish?
like that, you know?
I don't know. Look at the way he's looking at her. It's stressing me. I can't even think about it.
Do like a kissy face. You don't actually have to kiss me.
This video's gonna end. I think everyone's in for a big surprise.
Next, go ahead, do couple-y things. You got 10 seconds.
Wait, you guys have 30
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, go on in.
Here's the thing with Rowan. He was at my birth. I've known him my entire life.
But again, you've known Salish your whole life.
Shoot. Okay. Oh.
Whoa, okay.
Now we have to do something.
One more photo. I'm not buying it.
Yeah, I'm not.
Yeah, we're not buying it either.
There's no way that my employees could date without me knowing. I'm voting you off the island right now, but it's not my choice. See ya. Bye. Really cute. Bye-bye.
Babe.
Babe is awful.
I want to thank you guys for my $1,000.
All right, here, this is the big one.
Salish, Nadal, you guys have 30 seconds to pick a prop. If you don't want a prop, if you just want really pretty couple photos, you do that.
Wait, should I have these on too or not?
Put these on top. Where's your ear?
She's comfortable putting stuff on him though.
That's true.
But they're also best friends.
Yeah, it's really hard to tell.
But a lot of best friends end up dating. You know what I mean? Like the girl next door, and then all it took was like Kato to like unlock that. Ready?
Yeah.
I don't know if I can watch this one, but let's see how it goes.
Oh, shoot.
That's the worst photo ever. Okay, hands, Nadal,
placement.
hands. I'm just leaving this at. I'm going over here.
How is he so cool with this?
You have to realize your dad might be Team
Oh,
Nailish.
all right, chill with that.
My grandparents are gonna be like, bro, chill, Salish.
They're so comfortable.
Like, look at that
Look
position.
at this.
Just chin and stuff. That's not.
She got a whole hand of his chest and then another hand of his face.
Like, okay, in all seriousness, this is like they're acting like.
Oh my God, they're kissing.
What? Oh, you got me.
Y'all got insurance, right?
Come on out. So, who do you think is the real couple here?
That's like asking mom and you, like, who's the real couple? You guys.
Oh, wait. You're comparing a married couple forever to you guys who have been talking for 2 weeks?
Dating for 3 days and known each other for 7 years.
Does that line up with what they told you earlier?
Yeah.
All right, everybody, take 5. Okay, I just said take 5, but actually we're just gonna watch them and see if their body language gives anything away.
We can pretty much confidently eliminate 5 from our minds right
It's a
now.
free $1,000. They're looking at their work schedule
I
together.
think that's.
Hey, to me, look. I don't think they are filming a video in their mind. She's on set with her boyfriend. 4, look at 4.
Dude, the hand placement.
And he's comfortable letting her see his phone.
Number 6 and number 3, they could both be best friends. I don't see any world in which number 4 is best friends.
You see 3? She's leaning into him. I don't know if you saw me. They're definitely into each other.
But I think she's into him a lot more.
Salish and Nadal are looking really comfortable with each other, but they always do. They're believable enough that I think they might get chosen.
Jordan, I'm gonna eliminate somebody.
Before you do that, I'm making a switch. If you eliminate the actual couple, you have to give them all $2,000 you have now.
I'm confident.
Wow. Okay, everybody. We have another elimination. It's time to eliminate another couple. Do you want to see the photos?
I don't need the photos.
Well, just look.
I don't need the. Salish looks happy.
No, actually, don't look at Salish and Nadal. They look too happy.
let me-
No.
let me just see Salish.
You know what? No. Let's
See
not.
this?
No. Kevin, who are you going to eliminate?
5.
Yes! Okay. Are you a couple or no?
No, we're not.
We good, baby, we good.
But we still get paid, right, for today?
You go back and do your real job.
I quit.
It is down to 3, but before we go to the next round, I've always wanted to ask Nadal this question. I haven't had a chance to ask you this. When I said at Kids' Choice that I was okay with her dating, just not you. I'm okay with her dating, maybe just not Nadal. How did that make you feel?
Well, I didn't like that video, and I think I'm getting my revenge right now. That's all I'm gonna say.
You guys say who's the real couple, and let's call this a day. Can we be done with this? I can't do this anymore.
I mean, his little friend.
I don't know why you guys don't believe us.
Let's just go to the next challenge and see if we can figure this out. Next challenge, blindfold. Each of you put the blindfold on, please.
Oh, this is gonna be good.
Okay.
I'm nervous.
I am too.
I'm gonna jump scare them and then see how they behave, okay? Everybody blindfolded? Blindfold Salish? What? Hold on. Is that Nadal's bracelet?
Yeah.
Whoa, hold on, Kevin. She just started wearing Nadal's bracelet again.
Let me see it. She wasn't wearing this before?
Why did you start wearing that?
Because we're dating now.
I thought the Secret Admirer video was rough, but this is like 10 times harder. Stay blindfolded.
Oh, your dad's a savage.
Oh!
Wait, look at Taylor.
I don't know. Oh my goodness, this is a new shirt!
Wow!
Wait, no, please don't get my shirt dirty, please.
Don't get me
It's a new spider hoodie, please.
He didn't think to protect her. He like held her. And then at the end, he flipped her.
That's absurd.
Don't get me dirty.
Oh my.
What's happening? I feel like someone's next to us. Someone's right next to me.
No, there's not. Oh, wait, I hear someone. Hey, I can't see anything.
Yo, what the heck?
What's happening?
They're all reacting the same.
Okay, everybody, you can take off your blindfolds.
Welcome back to Fear Factor.
That challenge allowed Kevin to watch you and see how you behaved when you got scared.
Couple number 3, you shot at them with a water gun. He didn't even think to protect her.
I couldn't feel it. I couldn't feel
Is
it.
this my time to speak or your time to speak? Number 4, their reaction was almost identical. Like you hit the horn and they're in sync because they've been together for a while.
Okay,
Do
now-
you want my number 6 breakdown?
Yeah, unfortunately, yes.
You were scaring them. They were like all over each other. And when you got to them, you know what's funny? They didn't seem scared. You know why I don't think they were scared? Because they had each other!
Okay, stop.
Okay, if you weren't Salish's dad and you weren't Salish's brother, and y'all are just playing this game with me as judges, what would be your answer?
Say they look like they're dating. That's it. But they've looked like they're dating since they're 10. That's why people have shipped them for 5 years.
Look, I've done this a million times. People who are actually not trying because they're just being themselves are the ones you gotta look out for. And you know who's acting real normal? Salish and Nadal.
Next round is the newlywed game. Kevin is gonna ask each couple questions. They're gonna write their answers on the whiteboard and see if they match.
Okay, I've gathered a list of questions to get deeper into this. Who said I love you first?
Okay.
Did you say it back?
I mean, yeah, that would be crazy not to.
I said it right now.
I love you.
I love you too.
I kind of believed it right there.
I have a question for them. Have you ever said I love you to anybody else?
Yeah.
So you have been in love before?
I was in a 4-year relationship. She was in a 5-year relationship.
Through the whole video too, they've been so consistent with their
this is
story.
crazy.
I want you to write down her coffee order at Starbucks. And I want you to write down your coffee order at Starbucks and see if it matches.
They are locked in. Like, he's like, no problem.
And it's a long order too. It's one of them frappuccinos or something.
If they get this, just end this video. They're a couple.
How are they still writing? I'm confused.
Sorry, it's a long order.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh!
Iced chai latte, shot of espresso, salted.
Caramel cold foam.
Caramel cold foam. That's the same thing.
We get the same order because we share it every time.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want you to write down her mother's nickname.
Like nickname, like what we call her or what her name is?
What we call her. He obviously knows her mother.
That's interesting.
Is this Salish and Nadal in 10 years without the dating part?
1, 2, 3.
Cheryl Sherry.
Oh, that's what I put.
Oh my.
With the parentheses.
The parentheses!
Give me these. With the exact parentheses. The same parentheses.
Who even uses parentheses?
Hallelujah. Salish is not dating Nadal because they're obviously dating.
I wasn't sure, but I'm gonna be honest, they're moving back up my list.
Same.
Wow, same.
I'm gonna poof you guys out of here. I'm gonna bring in the next guys, okay?
Okay.
I want you to write down her best friend's name. And you're gonna write down your best friend's name.
Obviously, this is something he should know.
He has to know. On 3, ready? 1, 2, 3. Marin.
Okay.
That's my boy right there!
Okay.
Why is he? What?
Can I try something? On 3, say who would have been the other best friend.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Soren. Hello.
Oh, did you pause?
Wait.
Because
I have 3 best friends.
She has 3 best friends in total.
I don't know.
That was
I feel like
interesting.
couple number 3 would have killed that right
Oh,
off
for
the bat.
sure. You want to do favorite thing?
Can I say one?
Yeah.
What did she wear on your first date?
Ooh, see, now you cook
You
it.
better remember what she wore.
This is crazy.
There's no way they can pull this off. All right, 1, 2, 3.
Oh my
Blue jeans,
God.
tube top.
Oh, same thing is crazy. I want you to tell me what his wallpaper is.
It's kind of weird, but it's my foot.
Wait, what? Yo, what the heck?
He's got a screensaver of her foot.
I don't know if you want to know this, but like when 3 was here, his phone was on the ground, and I saw his background. It was a picture of the girl's face.
Somebody go get 3 right now. Let me see your wallpaper.
Told you.
What is happening? Remember, at least 1, if not 2 of them are absolutely friends. Smoke Bomb and Salish Nadal.
This is getting crazy.
Bye, guys.
See ya.
Hey! It's my favorite time of the game.
Oh, I bet it is.
First question. Are you going to write down Nadal's Starbucks order? And you're going to write down yours, and we'll see if she matches with you. You got it?
Yeah.
You got his, not Kato's?
Oh!
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Vanilla
Vanilla
bean
bean.
frap with no whip.
Is that true?
Yeah, that's my order.
Who gets more jealous? 1, 2, 3, flip.
Sail it.
Sail.
And
Oh!
you just said earlier that you
Okay.
didn't want me to go with Kato.
That's because we already went on 2 dates, and now it'd just be weird if you went on a date with
Okay,
me.
well, why am I more jealous? Who am I more jealous
I'm not
of?
more jealous. It's just,
Okay,
why would
well,
you go on
why
a
is
date
that
if you already
mine
went on a... Okay, the thing is, I wasn't jealous. It's just that...
Jealous.
Imagine,
Yes, you
imagine you
were.
were on a date with a girl, and you're with her, and then you're like, oh, I'm gonna go with this one. It's like, you know?
Okay, well, I
so you
wasn't
were
gonna go
jealous.
anyway. Yeah, you are jealous.
Nah, okay, you can say jealous. Okay.
Okay, so, but why do you think she gets jealous?
Yeah.
Whenever I'm on Snapchat, she's always just like, oh, who's this? Who's this? Oh, oh, oh. And they're usually just friends, but she thinks otherwise.
Is this true?
Alright, bro. No, because whenever I'm on Snapchat, he's literally like, he only has girls in his Snap. Like, what are you doing with all these girls in your Snap if I'm right here?
The silence is loud.
Can I just say something?
Jordan?
Even if they're faking it, that sounded so real.
When I tell you he's not having no girls in his Snapchat story for the next 2 weeks, that's real.
Yeah, you better not, because you need to post on your private Snap story right now that you're not talking to any more girls.
On my private one, I'll do that. On my private.
Okay, on your public one.
Wait, okay, wait.
Whoa!
Wait.
Here's the thing.
My phone's dead.
No, it's not. You were just on it, bro.
Let's just pull out the phone, right?
Oh my God!
I think everybody wants to
my
see the
God.
phone.
Oh my God!
First of all, I can confirm the phone is not dead. Okay. Hold on. Here it is. I'll make you guys a deal. We'll go through his, but we also got to go through yours.
All right.
And if Kato's in there, that's gonna be really interesting.
There's no pressure to do this. You guys could just poof away.
All right, sure.
Okay, here we go.
Let's go.
Look, that's not bad, that's not bad.
All right, best friends list right here.
What's that thing? What's a best
So on
friends list?
Snapchat, your best friends list is like the people you talk and communicate with the most.
Oh.
Dad is pinned.
Dad,
Aww.
girl, guy, girl, guy.
Okay.
One of the guys is your dad. It's not a good look.
I cannot believe you're getting them to do this.
All right, you ready?
Kato's gonna be number 1.
If Kato's in there, this clip's about to go crazy. All right, no cheating. All right, best friends, we've got number 1.
Kato, number 1! No way! Hey, no, we gotta get out of here.
No!
I'm exposed.
Can I say number 2 is Nadal.
Okay.
What?
Yeah, but he's still number 2.
If you check my text, if there was like a best friends list for text, she would probably be number 1 and FaceTime list, so.
I mean, that makes sense. If I started dating someone, I'm probably communicating with them
More often. And more FaceTime.
Yeah.
Oh God, more FaceTime than Snap after that. Yeah.
FaceTime and text, that's all I need.
I don't even know what to make of this, what just happened. Can we just move on? Can we get this over with?
That was a lot.
All right, let's do one final round, then you got to make a decision.
Okay.
All right, final round. This is a promise ring. And I want each guy to give it to his girl. But the girl is gonna wear this. And this will allow us to measure your heart rate. So we'll see how you feel when he's promising himself to you.
Before you start, I want you to take 10 seconds and just stare into each other's eyes and then go into your proposal.
Like she was spiked and then it calmed her down.
whoa. Oh, it's going back up, it's going back up.
Normal heart rate is around 60 or 70, but her heart is beating twice as fast right now.
Nova,
Yes.
I promise to be with you forever.
That's so cute.
That was interesting.
Wait, you're 5 months into dating?
4.5. but yeah.
4.5. But this is maybe a little red flag, I think. They might be too comfortable for 3.5 months. I don't know. All right, next couple, come on in. Her heart rate right now is 78. Couple 3, her heart rate started at 130. You're just chill.
That is a great point.
I would love to give you this promise ring because you're always so kind to me and always take care of me. And I always promise to do the same for you.
That felt so genuine.
That was beautiful.
Okay, I legitimately cannot tell.
And finally, it's time to test Salish and Nadal.
All right, you're gonna turn and face each other. And I want you guys to just look at each other, look in each other's eyes for now.
Going down. So
Very comfortable.
Can't look at both of your eyes.
Salish, I've known you for 7 years. We've been on 2 dates already. I'm really starting to like you, and I want to give you this ring, and hopefully we can go on a 3rd date. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Oh.
Okay?
Wow.
All right.
Are you ready to make a final decision?
Almost.
Almost. What? There's no more rounds left.
I need one more thing. Salish, do you have your phone on you?
Yeah,
Do you have Kato's number?
I do.
I think we should just FaceTime him
Okay.
and tell him you're dating Nadal. Which is fine, right? Because it's true.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I think it's fine, but your heart rate says otherwise.
Whoa. Oh, it did go up. Your heart. Oh.
Hey, what's up, dude?
What's up, bro? Huge fan. How
Told
you
you.
doing?
Yo, let me ask you this. You know Nadal?
Oh, of course I know Nadal.
I want you to be honest with me.
100%.
What is their relationship status right now?
They're dating. Bro, why would you bring that up, bro?
I don't know. I don't know.
Yo, what? That was crazy.
Dude, I was
Are you
so
ready to make a
crying,
decision?
bro.
I think I'm ready.
I can't even with that.
Here, take this back. Her heart rate was out of control.
All right, we got to just collect ourselves, and then Kevin has to make a decision. We're going to find out who is the real couple, and please don't let it be them. Before Kevin makes his final decision, I just want to remind you guys, we're doing a pop-up event September 6th in New Jersey at the American Dream Mall. Huge announcement. Please join us. Link in description. Also, make sure to check out everything Kevin does. He's amazing. Go check out his channel. We will link something in the description as well. And now, Kevin, are you ready? Salish, Nadal, you've always had the vibe that could be couple, and you've never been one. Nothing changed today. I think you're way too private a person, Salish, to actually come public with a relationship like this. I just don't think you would do it this way. But Kevin has his own opinion. I would have to guess between 3 or 4. I mean, look at this. My guess is it's 3. But it's not my vote, but my guess is 3. Hudson, what do you think?
I'm gonna go 4. I have a lot of thoughts, but my immediate thing says 4.
Okay, Kevin.
I went into it not thinking it was Salish. Through the video, they were really convincing, and they at some point were like my top pick. But I agree with you a little bit. I just think Salish, you seem very sweet and kind, and I just think if you were dating someone, it would be more, I guess, private, or you wouldn't make a spectacle out of it. I'm gonna take y'all out. I think you might just be doing it to mess with your dad, your brother, and for some cash.
Or they might be the couple, and we're about to find out. This is how it's gonna go. You're gonna pick the number, and that couple gets the money. Then we will ask which one of you is actually the real couple.
My vote is number 4.
Number 4, you just got $1,000 in cash. Number 4. And now, we're gonna find out which one is the real couple. If it's number 4, Kevin just got $3,000. I'm hoping it's 3. I've always been voting for you. Okay, here we go. When I count to 3, please, the real couple, step forward. 1, 2, 3.
I'm the biggest! Oh my God! It's what I do!
Alright guys, I just want to explain the whole thing was a prank on my dad. We're never dating or talking. We just wanted $1,000. But Kato and I are still great and we're actually going out tomorrow.
Wait, you are? Alright guys, obviously I'm joking, but if you do want to know how I feel about Kato, make sure to go check out my channel.
Guys, Sailors called me before the video telling me that she and the doll were gonna prank Jordan for a video. I thought it was pretty funny, so I went along on the call. It's okay. I love you guys. Stay safe and see you soon, Sailors.
Today, my daughter Sailor survives 25 extreme challenges, competitions, and emotions, starting with the world's strictest school. Sailor has no idea I'm here, watching everything that's happening.
Hey, what's your name? Okay. Hey, my name's Sailor Schwartz. Okay. What is with these kids?
Young lady, a new student's place is at the front of the class.
Yes, ma'am.
My name is Miss Bastille.
Hi, Miss Bastille.
Ms. Bastille.
Miss Bastille.
Ms. Bastille.
Miss Bastille.
Ms. Bastille.
What? Miss Bastille.
Miss Bastille. Ms. Bastille.
Okay.
What's so hard?
Yes, ma'am.
Be quiet.
Oh, okay. How did that not freak Sailor out?
Since you think everything is so funny, I think you need a lesson. Jeremiah, would you please go back to your desk so the class can all go over the school rules?
Yes, ma'am.
Just so you know, Ian signed up for this. We told him ahead of time, are you good wearing a cone? And he said, yeah, he's down, but it's funny.
Is no one gonna react to that? Okay.
No cheating in school. Always listen to your teacher. Only speak if you're spoken to.
What is wrong with this place?
Only speak if you're spoken to is like the exact opposite of Salish.
No cursing.
I don't want to hear darn, shoot, dagnabbit. I don't want to hear any of it.
Darn.
What did you just say?
Nothing.
You're working on a detention.
Oh, darn.
If she's gonna get in trouble for saying darn, she's not gonna make it through this all day.
No makeup.
Whoa, okay.
You're wearing makeup.
What'd you say?
Nothing.
No phones.
Yep, I learned that one.
Always raise your hand.
That's how I know you actually know the answer. And most importantly,
No fun.
Clearly.
we're finally going to start our history lesson. But first of all, who was president during the Great Molasses Flood of Boston?
How do you even know that? I don't know. I didn't raise my hand.
That's how I knew you didn't know the answer. Do it again and you're going to get a punishment. And the answer is?
Woodrow Wilson.
In what state was the Roswell crash?
I raised my hand.
Yes.
Exactly.
What's the answer?
I don't know.
Why did you raise your hand?
Because
10 push-ups.
Why don't you do 10 push-ups?
Because I didn't get the question wrong.
Because I'm gonna get my exercise.
Salish is not intimidated by physical activity. She's a very strong kid.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good.
You got a little slow there at the end.
I see your 10 push-ups.
She's giving it back to her.
Don't talk back, little lady. Do you know the penalty for talking back?
Sorry.
How is Salish not like laughing or quitting? The kid has a cone on his head for the last 10 minutes.
She goes, girl, be careful.
Salish, this is your future life, starting with college.
Pause.
Salish, she can't see you.
I can see all the amazing things you do.
Time goes so fast, make sure to enjoy every minute.
I'm already getting married now.
Yeah, it happens. This is very emotional. But
No, pause.
Wait, what?
Dad,
What's
no,
wrong?
stop. I'm pregnant? Whoa, this is so cool.
Before you know it, it's all just a memory.
Wait!
Yeah.
I'm thirsty.
Oops.
I'm so sorry.
What?
Oh, that's mean, actually.
I
I mean, okay, my phone's, look, it's still fine. You're good, Alan. Accidents happen, right?
Yeah. That wasn't an accident. That was the meanest thing that anybody's ever done to her, and she's chilling like it's nothing.
Your stuff, it's all gross now.
No, it's
so you
not.
can't
It's
eat.
fine.
What about your muffin?
I wasn't hungry.
She's acting so weird. Do you think she knows what we're doing? Are all the cameras hidden?
Well, you guys, I'm super excited about the party at my house tonight.
Oh!
It's filled with all the cool kids. I mean,
Let me
you know.
guess. I'm not invited?
Who are you again?
Let's go. He's doing the whole like exclude her from the party thing, which is very, very common in high school.
Sorry.
I kind of feel bad her sitting there all alone.
They're obviously doing this to exclude me and to see how I handle it, but actually, like, if this actually happened, I wouldn't care.
Okay, I have no idea what she's saying. I just hear a whisper.
But since I know my dad set all this up, watch this.
What is she doing?
Yeah, you know, just for cool kids.
Hey, there's just something in your hair, by the way.
No, there's not.
No, yeah, there is. It's right there.
What? What are you talking
Yeah, it's
about?
right there.
What?
See? Right everywhere.
Why would she do that?
Oh, it's cold in places that shouldn't be cold.
Salish, what are you doing?
Oh, my bad. Should I go to the principal's office? The principal, right? Yeah. I'm gonna go to the principal office. Bye, see you later.
She's coming to the principal's office? He's not there, dude. Do you know where he is?
Oh, and Alan, I love your videos.
So, Salish, I heard you saw Nadal last week. How was that?
It was fun.
Is there any feelings now?
No.
What?
Because
No,
we're friends.
there's feelings. But like Nadal is just like he's super strong. He can do flips.
Aw, and you and what's his name? Ethan. Ethan.
Salish, have you and Nadal ever dated?
No.
Kiss, marry, kill. Nadal?
Nadal,
doing for Halloween.
Nadal and Nadal. Maddox and
No.
and Luke. Kill Maddox, kiss Nadal, marry Luke.
No.
Kill Luke,
Yeah, kill me.
kiss Maddox, marry Nadal.
Nadal, yeah.
Gabe, Maddox, and Nadal.
Obviously, I would never kiss or marry any of them if they were dating someone else.
True.
Kiss, marry, kill, Walker Scoville, because we've seen the edits. Maddox and Gabe.
Okay, actually no. So I like Maddox and Harper way too much. So Maddox I'm gonna kill. Gabe I'm gonna kiss because I don't know either of them, but Gabe I'm gonna kiss and then Walker I'm gonna marry. Well, let's just say that one of the three left me on red.
Let them go in a little bit. I don't want to do it here. There's so many traffic here. We're following them. We're about to light them up, pull them over.
What?
Pull over.
Okay, sorry, officer.
What did we do?
I don't know.
Hey Rowan, do you want to hold this?
Sure.
Thank you.
Sure, yeah.
Team Salish! Where are they?
Where's who?
The bodyguards.
Bodyguards? What do you mean bodyguards?
How you doing today? Can I see license and registration?
Sure.
How are you today?
Good. Where are you guys coming from? Where are you headed?
I'm looking for my daughter.
Come on, we have to hurry up. Come on, Pearson. I thought you used to do track.
Is this your car?
Yes, officer.
Give me a sec. I'll be right with you.
Okay. What is up?
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How you doing?
Hi, how are you? Salish. Hello. They're so scary.
Seemed like you're kind of in a rush.
I was in a rush, officer. Sorry, because to be honest, we're playing a game of hide and seek, and we're trying to find my daughter, and they're probably on their way out. I don't know. Can you tell me what I did wrong?
You were just kind of all over the place when you pulled in there, and you got somebody filming back there?
Yeah, sorry, do you mind if I film?
We're making a YouTube video also about the hide and seek.
No, I don't care about the filming. You haven't been drinking or anything like that?
No, that's my insurance.
All right, hang that. I'm gonna write you up.
I feel like we're like Miley Cyrus or Taylor Swift or something.
Yeah.
We've got our own security guards. This is crazy.
Okay, what do you guys want?
Well, I noticed you got a New York license and California plates. I'm gonna have you step out for a second.
Just step out. That's good.
Okay. For not having an LA license?
Okay. Pink drink.
Thank you.
Of course.
Could you just like hold the boys off for like 6 hours or something like that?
I only have them for a half hour. We're totally gonna win. Right, guys?
I wonder what the boys are doing right now.
They're getting pulled over right now.
Cheers.
You have any weapons, anything sharp on you?
No, of course not. Do we need to do the handcuffs though?
Yep.
for no license? Just relax.
Have a seat there.
Yeah.
What did he even do?
I think it's that he still has his New York license.
Just stand right here, okay?
Right here?
Just stand
Okay.
right here.
Is this good?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Then you'll just try to touch him when he comes by.
A kissing booth? Oh, no.
Oh, yes,
no,
yes.
I am not staying here.
I've got Jordan in the car.
What?
Yep, this was just a delay tactic. Team Salish for the win.
Oh no!
What?
Wait, why are they laughing?
Oh, was this a decoy?
There's no way Sam's got a cop.
When my dad and brother get here, we're gonna taunt them and start yelling their names.
They're gonna think they're so close.
Yeah, but then we have the bodyguards. They're gonna see that escalator and they're gonna try and come up to see us, but we're gonna be all the way over there because we have another escape route.
Whatever you're doing, I like it. It's working. Keep doing it.
Okay, good one, Salish. I'm gonna get you back for that one. All right. You scared me. Okay, we're leaving. We're gonna go get Salish.
Where do we think they are now?
Well, maybe they're in jail now.
You got your family arrested? Like arrested?
I hope not.
Gosh, well, it'll definitely buy us some time.
Yeah, might buy us a couple years.
We have more than 4 hours to
4
fend them
hours?
off. We have to do more. They could be here any minute.
That was
Are you
legitimately
okay?
scary. I'm fine, but that was scary, Salish. Okay.
Salish doesn't mess around.
Game on. Salish is still here. You tried to delay us, Salish, but here we come.
You guys are here recording. You guys gotta get out of the property.
Guys, the real security is actually getting mad at him.
Yes, that gives us more time.
Yay, perfect.
And we are looking for Salish and Pearson.
I think they're coming. Actually.
Right now?
Okay.
Where?
I guess then we'll let them film.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I see your dad.
I see them. Are you guys ready?
As they reach the escalator, we'll make a run for it.
Okay.
Okay, she's in here somewhere.
And then, of course, the bodyguards, they're gonna have our backs.
Hopefully. Dad!
She's right there.
Oh my goodness, I see a
Go.
camera.
Hudson, you gotta tag her.
Just remember, they still have to tag Salish.
Well, how do we get up?
There's an escalator over here.
Oh, this way. Come on.
Ready?
Are you kidding me?
We gotta go. Just go.
Go. Come on, Pearson. We
Okay,
gotta
they're
run.
following us. They're following us. We really gotta go now, Salish. Let's hope that the security guards can hold them off.
We have to hurry out.
You're done.
Hey, no red.
Just when Hudson almost got past the fake security, suddenly the real mall security showed up and threatened to arrest us all.
Salish, run! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, that was so close.
I almost made that.
I hope your security guards are holding them off. Come on, we gotta get out of this shopping mall.
You're running on the property without any notice, without any permit.
We got 3 limos, so we'll get in one of them, just like the president does, and they won't know which one we're in. Let's go, come on.
That's brilliant!
I'm calling Salish. Salish just FaceTime me. We're kind of getting busted by security, like real security right now.
We know you are, but did my security throw you off track?
One guy got me.
Yeah, I know he did, and I'm proud of him.
Wait until the end to see our 5 favorite moments of the year, which also happen to be the most emotional.
No, Dad, stop. I'm so excited to see him. Are you, Dad?
Yes, I can't wait.
I can't wait. He doesn't know we're doing the room makeover.
The plan is Salish is going to distract Nadal all day with various challenges and fun things, while I and Gigi are doing the room.
I've never been to Nidal's house before.
We're at Nadal's house right there, but he is in the other side of the house, so he has no idea we're here. Salish is going to sneak in there. She's going to surprise him, but some of us are going to go in the back way, start doing the room. He has no idea we're doing the room.
Come on.
This is Nadal's dad.
Hello.
Are you guys okay?
Yes.
Yeah, oh my God.
Thanks, God.
Oh my God, it's so scary.
It was a miracle.
We are now here to make his day.
Will be the best thing ever happened to him.
Has he been getting a little frustrated by not being in his room?
Yes.
Well, let's cheer him up, at least for one day.
You will made it up. Thank you so much, guys.
He has no idea that
right
we're
here
here.
in the living room. He has no idea.
Salish is going to walk in and surprise him.
Yes.
But then we have to go around the back to sneak into the room.
We have a ladder in here.
We're going to go in and out through the window.
Okay.
That's perfect. He doesn't have any idea that she's here at all, but even more, he doesn't have any idea that we're going to do his room. Are they interviewing him right now?
I'm going to go from the kitchen.
Okay, all right, wait, hold on. Are you ready?
So I go. They were talking to me about like how long I was in the coma for, what happened, and I was just so surprised.
Okay, I got it.
Salish?
Nidal! Hi!
What the heck? Wait, how did you get here?
What?
Okay, he sounded really surprised. They're both teenagers, so they're going to be so chill about it. Like, hey,
Hey, I know Salish has been missing him so much and worried about him so much. I think this is a really awesome moment to get to see him and see he's okay.
How's your leg?
Broken. Yeah, I can tell.
What? I was not expecting you to pull up right now.
Salish and Nadal are in that room, and right over here is Nadal's room that we're gonna make over. We have to somehow keep Nadal on that side of the house all day while we do his room on this side. We are gonna make this room into the most epic room, and he's gonna be so excited.
How are you?
I thought you just snapped me in LA.
I did.
How'd you get here so fast?
Came last night.
Oh, that makes sense.
Is that where you've been sleeping?
Yeah, it was in my room back there, but they had to take it out because they're painting at my room.
Oh, are you excited to move back in?
Yeah, that's what I've been waiting for.
Nadal is still exhausted from his time in the hospital, and he's not supposed to get too excited while he's recovering, so Salish is being very chill today. Once he recovers, they'll be back to playing tag in no time.
Nadal is right there. He is so excited to get back into his room, but he has no idea we're making it all over right now, right in here. We are so close, and he has no clue.
Oh, Jordan's coming this way.
No, he's right there.
He's right over there, so I'm gonna give him this challenge so he can't find us. Hey, Dad.
Hey.
I have a next challenge.
I think I'm right next to you. I can't find you. Where are you?
Oh, that sucks. You have to wear Fatal Vision glasses.
How long do I have to wear those?
Like 20 minutes.
What?
Okay, love you, bye.
What is she talking about? What is this? You'll see. Whoa, these are like goggles that make you look weird. I gotta find my daughter, but I can't really see her that well. I can't.
Why don't you use the tracker?
I can't see it, Rowan. What do you think?
Oh, yeah, you're right.
I feel like, are there a lot of people around me?
Just a little bit.
Dad! Dad! Jordan! Dad! Hi!
Hey, was that Salish? No, was that Nadal?
It's him!
The fastest I've ran.
Me too.
They went this way.
He ran the wrong way when we tried to reach you.
Where are they? Tell me. Where are they?
What is your current ranking?
Mummy's a 9 and Jurassic Park is a 9. Hi!
I love your nose.
Do you see them? Are they here? Whoa, God, that's nobody's filming me looking ridiculous, right? Is anybody here Salish?
Is this one fun?
What's been your favorite part of the day?
Messing with my dad. Her dad. Tuned
Yeah,
with my
that was
dad.
fun. Oh, cute.
I can't see it straight and I feel dizzy and wobbly.
Time!
Oh my God. Whoa! Oh, you were all filming that?
Yeah.
But you're not gonna post it, right? No. Yeah, I'm sure you're not. Come on! What do I? Bye, guys. No nailish. Bye.
Time for mystery smoothie.
Okay.
Before we start, I just want to show you day 2, Salish's outfit if I win.
Stop, no! Is it bad?
Mila, how's that look?
That's
Is it bad, Mimi?
It's like a nice pink dress.
A dress?
Each of us has to pick 3 mystery ingredients. Mila will hold up an ingredient and we have to say yes or no. We can't see anything.
I can't even reach it. Let me just get on my stool.
Okay.
I'm gonna go into 2. Salish, you want this, yes or no?
Is it good?
Yes, it tastes good.
Yes, please.
What?
Nothing.
Was she just whispering to Salish?
No.
No.
Oh, I thought it sounded like you were whispering. Alice, was she whispering to Salish?
No.
What is this?
I can't tell you.
I don't think I'm gonna like it. Ah!
Wait, she's touching the things now? What kind of, this is going off the rails. You see, you're not supposed to, whoa!
Stop talking. Now it's Jordan's turn. So Jordan, do you want this, yes or no?
No.
Okay.
You don't want to give me a clue like you gave Salish?
No. Salish, you want this, yes or no?
No.
Okay.
Hold on a second. I mean, I can't see anything, but it's sounding like she's giving her clues. What?
Jordan, do you want this, yes or no?
What should I do?
I can't tell you.
Say yes.
Okay, I'm gonna go yes.
Let's hear how it pours.
Oh, no! It sounds like a. Mila, take it easy. We don't need that much of it.
I put the whole thing.
Why? I can't. Whose decision was it to ask Mila to do this? This is a bad idea.
This smells horrible.
Mila, if I hear you tell Salish what to do again, this round is forfeited.
Salish, you want this, yes or no? You want this, yes or no?
I have 1 ingredient left.
Yes.
Say no.
Have you picked any good ones, Mila, or are you only picking bad ones? Okay. Thanks for the hint, Mila. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna go with yes.
What is it?
Oh no, that's not a good sound.
What is it?
Oh! Oh no, that is not strawberries.
What is it?
Oh, no.
Oh, I smell it from here.
Oh my!
Oh, why would you have let this happen, Ennis? I thought we were friends. It still smells over here.
Jordan, I really think you should just forfeit.
I will not become a vegetarian for a month.
Smell this.
Oh, God.
Yeah, I think vegetarian sounds a lot better.
I've got all my ingredients, Salish. You have to pick one more.
Do you want this?
Yes, yes.
Why were you so sure about it?
Just don't want to smell that anymore.
I can tell how spicy this is.
Okay, guys. Everybody is done.
Is this worse than the Bean Boozled?
Bro, I'm telling you, this is worth you go vegan for a month. I'm not even kidding.
Are you ready to open your blindfold?
Yes.
In 3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
Oh, it's bright.
Jalapeno pepper. Oh.
I got prime. Ew.
You're saying ew to prime. I've got kimchi and hot powder.
Mine looks pretty good.
Okay, are you guys ready? In 3, 2, 1.
This does not look good.
All right, that's enough. Hold on, wait, here, smell
No,
mine.
stop.
Oh my gosh. Mila, smell that.
No!
Oh no.
Ew, mine's chunky. Dad, you're probably gonna win.
I'm gonna win?
It smells. I'm gonna throw up soon. Ew. Whoever drinks more wins. In 3, 2, 1, go!
I barely have to drink any. This is good.
Jordan lost!
That's actually a good smoothie I would pay for.
Hey, no drinking.
You want some of this? You want some?
No, stop.
Do you want some, Colin? No? Do you want some? You want to see what I just had to go through? You could have helped me out. A little dad power? A little dad power?
Stop! You're gonna lose the whole entire game and you're gonna be in trouble if you don't stop. You're out of hand.
Okay.
You're out of hand, Dad.
Time for their first challenge. I'm texting Salish.
What are you gonna do? We don't have time to go back. We hide in there. Do you see this little hole? It smells really bad, but we gotta do what we gotta do.
I didn't tell the girls, but I hired an operator to run all of the rides tonight. But that operator has to stay hidden too.
Hi.
Hi. Wait, where are you from?
Your dad sent me.
Oh.
Guys, hurry.
Well, it's okay. We gotta go. If you see security, you have to hide.
Yes, got it. Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna go. I'll see you.
Oh, this is uncomfy.
Hey, we only have 8 minutes.
We put a GoPro on every ride to watch the girls.
Come on, this goes quick. Why is that? It's already so high.
They're just screaming, dude. He's gonna catch you.
We have to be quiet. Why are we
Guys. Oh, wait. Did the security guard call the cops?
It's so loud. He's gonna hear us.
Oh my God. Is this like, do I need to go out there? Are they here for the girls? Oh, wait, that's actually not good. Hold on. Guys.
We probably have like 1 minute. Oh, whoa!
If the cops get out of the car, this challenge is over. Wait. Okay, wait. Oh, they're just there. Oh, that scared me. I actually thought he called the cops and they were gonna bust Salish. She was gonna end up in jail. Whew, that was scary.
I think he's coming from right over there. What?
Okay, they're gonna get busted. He's coming back. They're gonna get busted.
Go down. Why is it still going? Oh no, bro. He's gonna find us.
We gotta go.
Go.
I can't watch. They're gonna get busted. You gotta find a place to hide. Hurry!
I think we made it. Can you please hide? He's gonna come and you can't give us away.
Go. Shh. They just made it. Oh, that was exciting.
We just made it.
That ride was so loud.
And we'd go straight up and we kept screaming. He almost got us. He was so close.
Yeah.
Second challenge. This is gonna be fun.
Pop all the balloons at the carnival games.
He's gonna hear that for sure and come bust them.
It's right. Let's just go.
We should wait.
We got.
No, don't. They're just leaving. Don't leave. He's gonna be right here. He's coming into the park. Oh God, they're gonna get busted.
The security guard is right there. This is not a good hiding spot.
They must have missed it by like 10 seconds getting totally busted. This is so stressful. I don't know if I'm gonna make it the whole time.
Okay, where are the balloons? I don't know, but we have to hurry. He's gonna come any second. Oh, balloons right here.
Do we just throw these?
Yeah. We have to get all of them?
It's gonna take them an hour to pop all those balloons.
This is gonna take way too long.
Guys, that's not how you play the game.
Just go.
They're climbing over. I didn't see that coming.
Guys, hurry. It's so loud. It's shh. Go.
Is he coming?
No, he's not.
Oh, what? Why are they?
What are you doing?
doing? Guys, hurry. Are you kidding me? Guys, we don't need the prizes. Let's go. You guys didn't win teddy bears, okay? But I guess if the place is all yours, it's all yours, so help yourself to teddy bears.
We risked getting caught by the security guard to get this, and it doesn't even flip inside out.
Yeah, we'll flip it inside out.
The clock's almost at 0, so he should be walking around now.
He's right there. He's right now. Shh. Is he not paying any attention? Aren't we kind of sick of Salish winning everything all the time? Okay, I'm a little tired of it. Yes, I've lost a lot in a row with her. Oh, wait! No, say whoa! I'm Team Security Guard. Team Jordan can't win, Team Security Guard can finally win one.
Which scene is your favorite so far? Clip one and post it on social media, and we will FaceTime whoever gets the most views.
Young lady, if you are going to live under our roof, we have some new house rules.
It's actually my house, but whatever.
So you have to say yes to me the whole day, right?
Unfortunately, yeah.
Give me your credit card.
Oh, no, let's start with something. Calm down, my guy, calm down. Okay, here's my credit card.
Thank you. Okay, we can go.
This is gonna be a long day.
No crop tops.
Hold. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. I can already tell they're so strict. I don't want the consequence, so I guess I'm gonna have to deal with these people. That does not mean that I'm gonna like it though.
So I need about 100 new outfits, and luckily I have this to salvage it now, but our first stop is Urban Outfitters because every teenager needs to go here and get whatever we can get.
It's not cropped, so they should be fine with this. Let's go see though.
Much better. No dating.
Not dating anyone.
You're not dating anyone. No. Ma'am.
Hey, ma'am.
I'm thinking we're gonna need about one of everything. Start off with these.
Did she even look at them?
You need to be like right behind me at all times. You're being really slow. Come on.
Is this what Salish is gonna be like in a year?
No cursing.
Wasn't planning on it.
No TikTok.
It's okay, I have Instagram.
No Instagram.
What?
No, none of it. None of it.
Yes, ma'am.
Ooh, this is so cute.
Wait, don't you even try clothes on? You just buy them?
That's wasting time. I could be buying makeup, getting boys' numbers. Unnecessary. Now zip it.
No DoorDash.
No DoorDash? What am I supposed to eat?
Cook your own food. No makeup.
What? I mean, you're wearing makeup.
I'm an adult.
I'm technically an adult. I'm 14.
That's not an adult. Adult is 18 years old. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
It is all about me, and it'll be about me for the rest of the day. I don't want to hear a peep out of your mouth unless you're offering to buy me Starbucks, get me new clothes, or get me a boy's number. Please keep up with me.
No YouTube. Oh, okay, everything else.
Is that clear?
Clear.
I saw this on TikTok. Do you do TikTok, Jordan?
It's like 5 minutes in, I'm ready to quit.
This is $130, so I'm gonna need about 5 of these. Excuse me.
Wait,
excuse me.
you need
excuse
what?
me.
How to walk in? Oh my gosh.
Is this sketch? I'm too visible. Hold on.
I'm scared.
There he is. There he is.
He's right next to me. He's right there.
This is a good shot right here. Come here. Like, actually, this is so exciting. He's right there.
No, you just need to watch this video. Just go over the safety precautions.
He's about to find out that I'm here.
He's about to see her right now.
Canada, I'm somewhere in Skyline. You can find me, you get your birthday present.
What?
You have to say yes to everything I say, and each time you finish the dare, you get 1 more minute to find me. Good luck, Adol. You're gonna need it.
Wait, Salish is here?
Yeah, I am here.
Where is she? Wait, can you give me any hints?
You're very cold right now. That's all I can say.
He looks so confused.
Wait, how are we gonna find her?
I guess you're just gonna have to look through it.
I cannot wait to give him these dares. This is the present I got for him. I really hope he finds me so that he can open this, but obviously I have to make him work for it.
Wait, is that Jordan?
Oh, okay, he just saw me. Surprise!
Wait! Jordan! What are you doing?
We've got a little birthday surprise for you. So Salish is about to call you.
Hey!
Wait, Salish, where are you?
You'll never know until you find me.
Wait, point the camera at the roof.
Point the camera through where?
The roof, like this.
Don't point it anywhere. Do not point it, Salish.
I'm not pointing it up roof. Okay, I got the clicker, and this controls the garage, so this is gonna be very useful for this next scene.
All right. Let's see what we got. Just Crunch, the anti-soggy bowl. Boom.
First, I'm gonna open the garage with this, and then I'm gonna control my dad's car with this phone.
You put your cereal here, your milk here, and your cereal doesn't get soggy. 1, 2, 3. Dope!
I didn't like it.
I'm gonna click this, I think.
All right, here's our next one.
I think it will go up.
car's driving away. Stop.
It's going backwards.
Stop. What is happening?
He for sure thinks our house is like haunted or something.
Dude, this is so weird. All right, wait, Huds, I know what to do.
Bro, my dad ruined it. He got in the car.
I have no idea why this is happening. I'm gonna charge the car because when you're charging it, it can't go anywhere.
Now I'm gonna close it.
All right, we're good. What is going on? This is so weird.
I almost locked him out, but I didn't get too close.
I'm gonna close it. That's me doing it. There we go. Okay, that's so weird. The car thing was weird. The garage thing is weird. The alarm is weird. That was weird. Why are you still looking? Are you kidding me? Who cares about, dude?
It's almost midnight and I am about to do the birthday surprise for my dad, but I have one more prank that's gonna drive him crazy.
But do you think we could just finish the video first?
No. Hold on. Let me just ask Mom. Hi, honey. It's very weird what's going on in this house.
He's calling my mom?
Has the garage door just ever like opened up for you out of nowhere?
Serious, we gotta get this wrapped up because he's about to lose his mind. He's terrified.
What about my car? Have you ever seen my car randomly drive?
We gotta get the surprise. He's freaking out.
One of two things is going on. Hudson is pranking me, but he says he's not, or there's actually something weird happening in this house and I don't know what it is.
Should we call the police?
The police were here already.
Wait, the police were there?
Yeah, he stopped by when the alarm went off. I think Hudson's probably pranking me, but I have no idea how he's doing it. So the only other option is like ghosts in this house. Hudson, okay, tell me the truth. Are you doing this?
I'm not doing anything.
Okay, look. There's two of us in this house.
I just want to make this video.
Do you have a remote on you?
No.
How did that just happen? We don't even have a remote for the garage.
Our parks are all finished and ready for the judges. Time to bring on the guest judges, Ben Azelart and Sniper Wolf. Ben and Sniper Wolf will each rate one of our parks. Whoever gets a higher score wins the Matter Cup. They each have 15 minutes to make a decision.
Tickets! Miss Sniper Wolf, would you like some tickets? Oh, one ticket, I forgot. Theme music.
Shut up and give me the ticket.
Oh, you want the tickets? Okay, all right.
Welcome. Nice to see you. We built this epic tube water slide. Want to go try it?
Yeah, let's get right to it.
What, already?
First floor? Already?
Would you like to do all the rides in my park?
Everything.
There's so much to do. There's so
Give me
much.
the whole
Just
thing.
take the whole thing. I think you're my only guess.
Wait, who built this? Ignore the rust. This is Mark Grover certified.
Yeah.
When did you build this? Truthfully, about 4 hours ago.
Yeah.
You want me to ride it?
Yeah.
It looks rusted. I mean, part of the fun is like you might not make it out alive.
There are games, there's prizes, there's an amazing roller coaster, obstacle course.
I'm hungry.
Oh, you're hungry?
Yeah.
Great, let's go eat. Come on over here.
Now let's go over.
We're on the second story right now. Whoa. I know how much he loves water parks. We've seen it in his videos. A 2-story slide. If he survives this, we've got it.
Get your candy.
I want some candy.
Oh, would you like some chocolate? Have some chocolate. There you go.
I love Hershey's Kisses. Why are they all melted?
We're sabotaging my dad's candy stand.
That's part of the whole experience. Here at Jordan's Amusement Park, it's melted.
Ew. They suck.
Okay, no. Okay, hold on. Okay, try candy worm.
Whoa, a little melted, but it's
fun.
stretched. So good. I do love the nerds.
There you go.
It's a little melted, but everything looks good. It's so colorful and fun. Great job.
Thank you. Do you like games?
I love games.
Okay, I've got a great game for you next.
It's kind of wobbly up here.
No, it's not. Look.
Oh, chill, stop. Do not wobble the structure, okay? Mark said it was built
Look,
4 hours
look,
ago.
It's so
I'm nervous.
fun, but be careful at the end because you could hit your back on the thing, and it really hurt when I did it. Oh yeah. I mean, it's really fun though.
All you need to know is it's fun.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go.
Yeah!
Let's go!
That's the biggest splash we've gotten all day.
That was a lot of fun.
Yeah!
I want to congratulate all of you on your graduation! You've been with us for 12 years! Wow! Now it's time for a very quick photo as we do every year, so I'm going to just start positioning you. Diesel! Yeah, never mind. You can do whatever you want. Anna, let's have you come right here.
Oh, no. I think Anna should still be back there.
No, she's going to be here because she's
No. That, I mean, principal or whatever your name is. Just trust me. Ellie, you come over here. Hudson, you go right here. Perfect. All done.
I am always sitting in the center, so this is going to be where I sit. I do it every year.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
This is my favorite thing of the entire year is my graduation photo. Smile, hold it.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, now, go.
Oh! No! What?
The toupee was horrible. So obvious. We did him a favor.
No!
Let's party!
Nobody's answering. I can see from Find Friends they're at the house, but okay, what's up? I'm gonna land, I'm gonna get home, it's gonna be nice and quiet.
Sophie, where are you? The party is already happening.
I don't think I'm gonna make it, Salish. I'm at this thing right now, and this DJ's playing my music, and I can't leave right now, and I have to be on the stage.
But we need you. I set you up with Hudson. I need you for this.
Wait, you set me up with Hudson?
Obviously, yeah. You guys are so cute. You know what? It's okay. Maybe next time.
Yeah, maybe next time.
Okay, that's awesome. You're gonna date my brother one day. Bye. Perfect. Hudson, I have some bad news for you. Your date canceled.
What? Who was the date? Tell me who
It
was the
was
date.
Sophie.
Dawsey?
Yeah.
Oh, so she's not coming.
No. But
You
she
know
said
what?
she'd come next time. And
Pardon?
she said she would date you.
Something tells me she didn't totally say that.
She did. So Hudson, if Sophie was there, would you have kissed her, slow danced with her?
I mean, maybe, yeah, I don't know, maybe.
Really? You're not Sophie? You have to come next time, Sophie. You have to.
I've been doing this challenge for over 12 hours now. I flew to Vegas and back in one day, and now she's not even answering the phone. I have no idea what's going on. I've been calling Salish, I've been FaceTiming Salish, she's not answering. She's probably asleep or she's watching a movie with Hudson. Either way, I'm going home, I'm done. I am so tired. I can't wait to just go home, quiet house, and fall asleep. Oh my God, that was the longest day ever. I am so... Wow! Salish! This is awesome! Come on! This is such a cool party, forget about the dishes. We're on a roller coaster and the girls have to do 2 truths and a lie until the end of the ride. Are you ready?
No.
All right, Salish, you go first.
I did ballet before gymnastics. I dyed my hair.
Whoa!
And my favorite color is pink. Woo! Yeah!
Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh! Okay, wait.
The lie is you dyed your hair? Yeah, I don't dye my hair.
Oh, good one, Jules. Your turn.
I lived in Hawaii. I speak 4 languages. And I go to high school. Next year's your senior year. I know you speak 4 languages. You didn't live in Hawaii? I did live in Hawaii. What was why? I'm in high school. You are. You have senior year left. I know. I graduated. Okay, go. So I lived in New York. Okay. I have 2 dogs. Come on. Let's see. I like Nidal. Wait, what? Oh, wait. Which one's the lie? You like Nidal? Oh, I don't know. It's over. My bad. No! How dare you?
Did she just not answer that? F is for fluffy pancakes, which you now have 15 minutes to make. Go get them.
Okay. Okay. I actually know how to do this. 1 cup of Kodiak mix.
What is Kodiak mix? How to make?
No, stop. I got it, Harper.
Fine. We'll just make terrible pancakes.
It's 1 cup of this.
Is that a cup?
Girlie, that's a cup.
Maybe it's lying to us.
Okay. Stir mix and water into bowl. Okay, I got it.
Riddle. I'm gonna mix this up while Salish is gone.
Ow! It went onto my finger. Hey, do you want to open the chocolate chip?
Yeah.
We're not gonna be healthy today.
They're so fluffy.
We'll just put a bunch of these on top, right? So that's the base of it.
Oh wow, yeah, that's a lot. All right, here we go. All right. Traffic, one of my fault.
Okay, now we're gonna decorate with some whipped cream. All right, Harper, want some? Good?
Oh no.
Want some chocolate?
Yeah, on the pancakes though, right?
I'll do it for you.
Okay, so I do think that's a little much.
Are you yucking my yum?
I am yumming your yum.
No!
Oh, guys, only a little. Oh, these are not cooked. Salish, I told you to cook them longer. Wow.
It's good, I just didn't cook it for long enough. Yeah, and it's like dunked in some chocolate sauce. I think today I might just be hungry.
Let's move on.
Plus, it's definitely part of a summer morning routine because you can't do this normally during the school day.
We like to watch jump scares.
I'm actually scared though. That actually scared me. That actually scared me.
Oh my gosh. That got me.
Yeah, same.
This is scary.
No.
I'm out. I'm just excited. Fear level 0, excitement level 10.
We all know you're scared. It's okay.
Definitely not true at all. Whoa. Yeah, and I'm scared. The second it starts.
He's really scared, but it's okay.
I'm not scared.
No, it's okay. I
She's
totally
capping.
understand.
I might be scared once it gets going fast. But right now, I'm just chilling, having a good time.
Wait, who? What? What, Dad?
Come on in, everybody.
Whoa, what am I doing, Dad? What the heck?
There is one purple ball in there, only one. And if you can find that one purple ball in the next 2 minutes, you get to decorate your elevator like it's your own bedroom. Oh, okay.
Ow, I think that's good.
Good luck, Say. 2 minutes starting right now, Say.
Yeah, this is awesome. Yeah.
She's having fun in there. I'm right here monitoring everything in the dining room, and Salish is just right over here in the elevator. I have to whisper sometimes so she can't hear me. There are thousands of balls in there and only one of them is purple. No way she can find it in 2 minutes.
Woo!
I can't even see her.
This is so fun.
You gotta find one purple ball in the next 90 seconds or else you don't get to decorate the elevator.
Oh, there's too many, Dad.
We have 5 cameras set up in the elevator, so I'll be able to watch everything on this monitor. And if I want to talk to her, I'll use this microphone.
Not on that side.
Sailor, 60 seconds. If she steps foot outside that elevator for the next 24 hours, she automatically loses and has to buy me dinner wherever I want to go with whoever I want to bring. So she's going to be spending all of her savings on me and my friends. Obviously, there's an exception. If she has to use the bathroom, she gets a lifeline.
I don't think I'm ever going to find it.
30 seconds, Sailors, hurry up. She's not going to do it.
Wait, is this it?
Oh, she found it. How did you find it?
I saw it.
Needle in a haystack, literally.
Dad, hurry up, I got it. Whoa, oh wait, I can't come out,
You
right?
can't, come on out, come on out.
No, it's okay.
There's thousands of balls and she found the one purple one. Ugh. You can get out real quick, I can clean this out quicker.
No.
Real quick.
No.
Okay, that was too easy.
Part of my summer morning routine is to film the LOL podcast 2 times a week. So I brought the star of her channel.
It's actually my channel?
It's
no, it's
actually her
mine.
channel. Salish Matter.
Yay!
So I recently heard you've met somebody.
Oh, I have?
Yes, you have. And you've been, talking to him recently. Have you been texting him or what have you been doing?
Nothing.
You have to tell me what have you been doing?
That's okay.
I've heard a bunch.
Next question.
So obviously we're growing up and we have crushes, right?
Oh, yes.
Yes, exactly. Like Jeremiah Fisher is your home screen.
I have to change that.
I was wondering why it was, but I was wondering, who is your crush right now?
I don't have one.
I know you do.
You already know.
Whoa, you're admitting that you have a crush.
Obviously.
Since you're not telling us, I'm just gonna tell the whole world.
Oh, no,
who
that's
it is.
okay.
Okay, guys, it's
Sandy, beep that.
it's I'm sorry, I just said it again, I'm sorry.
Sandy, beep both of those. Alrighty, well, let's move on to the question. Who is your crush?
Well, I don't really have a crush.
Oh, yes, you do.
I wouldn't say that I have a crush.
Is his name, See, she's smiling.
I'm sorry, no. Bleep that once again.
Aw, shit.
No. Do you want to talk about your obsession with Jeremiah Fisher?
Oh, I don't really have an obsession with him anymore.
So why is he your home screen?
Okay, I'll change it right now if you must. Okay, I changed it.
All right, yeah,
Are you happy?
I like that, yeah. Let's talk about your YouTube channel and how you got
My channel.
It's obviously Salish's channel, I'm sorry.
name on it.
Yeah, it's mine.
Y'all should really change that to Salish Matter,
Yeah.
not Jordan Matter. It sounds better.
It just rolls off the tongue.
I know that your dad did some boring stuff like photography, 10-second challenges.
Yeah, I mean, the dancers were amazing, but he just went, go, go, go. Yeah, now cross in the middle of the street.
Yeah.
You're crossing the street of Firebird, go!
Okay.
Okay, we get one shot at this. Go!
I'll get hit by a train.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Then once you started going on the channel, it started racking up all the followers.
Oh yeah.
Started getting millions and millions, and I'm talking tens of million followers. Are you aware you made this channel?
Oh, very much so.
It was on its back before.
It was like a bug trying to get up.
And
I started helping out a little bit.
then it got straight
back
to his
up.
feet. It went, oh, all right, now I'm gonna stand up onto my feet.
Okay. Can we move on to the next letter? If you guys want to hear anything from me, I can tell you about how I started
no,
my
that's
channel.
all right.
I'm going to tell you the story
Thank you,
of my
Dad.
channel.
Oh, thank
So the
you,
way I
Mother.
started my channel
Thank you.
was, and Sandy, don't cut any of this. Okay, first I...
My dad hates ziplining, and I just saw him buy a ticket.
I'm right behind her.
He's literally right behind me. Guys, he's right there. Oh my gosh.
How are you doing?
I'm okay, thank you. Kind of scared.
What's your name?
It's Danny.
Have you ever ziplined?
Unfortunately, yeah, it's scary.
Unfortunately, yes. Are you excited to go again?
No.
Cool. Wow.
Alright, so I'm in the gear, guys. Don't judge me for the helmet.
You can tuck your head down.
Is this super scary or?
Yeah, it's the worst. Don't do it.
Oh.
No way.
Oh my gosh. He's sitting right next to me, no way.
I love the Crocs. I mean, I feel like obviously I know him just because of the Crocs.
Oh, she looks kind of lonely. I kind of want to give up and just hang out with her. She has no idea it's me. She's sat right next to me. She's just...
Hey, are you excited to zipline? That's funny.
She was right there. Do you guys see how high we are? I can't believe she's doing it by herself. Look, she's all alone, just chilling. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Why are we doing this?
Lean forward. Lean out.
If I don't do it, I lose the challenge, and then I have to do the vacation she wants to do.
All right, come on up.
That's my daughter. I'm trying to hide from her. Is there any way I can not do it and get over there and then next thing?
We could walk down, but it's gonna take a minute. More fun just to zip it.
It's not fun, but if I don't zip it, then I'm gonna lose track of her, I think. Oh my gosh.
Dad, next time you should not be screaming in your normal voice. I can hear you.
You were right. I shouldn't have done it. Oh my God, we have to do another one. Okay, she's about to go again. This looks super scary.
Transfer this forward.
This is so fast. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh my God, that's so low.
He's screaming so loud.
That was scary.
Yeah.
Final round.
Okay, I
Do
got
you
this.
think you can pick mom?
Yes.
Are you that connected?
I think so.
You get to ask each of them one question, and it has to be the same question.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay, I got this. I have a good question. Number 1 contestant.
Hi, sweetie.
Hudson is the favorite kid. What do you think about that?
I hear you say it a lot, and honestly, it makes me really disappointed because of how much I love and care about you, and I really want to make sure I can treat you both equally.
Okay,
Even
Dad.
though it may feel that way sometimes, I love you.
That kind of sounded like my mom. All right, contestant number 2, you can come out.
Oh, hi.
Ooh, okay. So what do you think about the thing I just said? Hudson's the favorite sibling. What do you think?
I think you couldn't be farther from the truth.
Because the truth is, we love you so much, more than anything in this world. And nothing has made us happier than to watch you and Hudson grow up into the people that you're meant to be.
No, stop. I get it. That sounded a lot more emotional, you know? I think number 2 is my mom. Yay! I got it! Whoa!
No way.
Angel, this is so cool. Wow.
Wow.
we have reserved you 2 very special seats right in front.
Oh, thank you. Perfect.
This is a movie we made for you. It is the story of Salish and Nadal and your great friendship. I think you might find it a little cringy, but I hope you find it in your heart to also appreciate the emotion underneath the story. If you end up crying, that's okay. It's a safe space. Throughout her early years, Salish was a shy kid, but she would come alive with her friends, especially at gymnastics. They all grew up together, so they were inseparable. They were her best friends. Then 3 years ago, her world changed forever. We moved from New York to California, and she had to leave all of them behind. Days turned into weeks, which turned into months. She missed her friends in New York, and she had nobody in California.
That's kind of sad too.
Yeah.
One day I suggested that we do a gymnastics challenge on the beach in Santa Monica. I told her there was a kid I had worked with in the past who might be fun to compete against. His name was Nadal, and he was a world champion flipper. Usually when 2 kids meet for the first time, it takes a while before they get comfortable. But not Salish and Nadal. They bonded instantly. It was like nothing I've ever seen. Within 10 minutes, they were running on the beach, playing tag, and splashing each other in the ocean. From that moment on, they were best friends. Their friendship grew quickly, and soon they were seeing each other almost every day. They went to magical places and had incredible adventures.
This was so scary. I love this video though.
But after just a few months, the unthinkable happened. Nadal moved to Texas, and again, Salish had to say goodbye to a best friend.
I ruined the disguise. The whole surprise is over, so hopefully she doesn't catch me.
Okay, go blend in. Go do target things.
All right. Hey, Colin, you're gonna need a disguise too.
We'll be matching legs.
Yeah. Oh my God. You look good. You look fire. Yeah, I can still tell it's you though.
So right now, owner is pretending that the mic doesn't work. We've got to stall while Colin gets his disguise, because if Salish sees Colin, she'll automatically know something's up. It stresses me out.
She's gonna notice me. I don't know if it'll work. Honest impression, how's the wig look?
It'll work.
I don't believe that for a second. I just heard them say Salish.
Why is my dad being so sus?
Do you think he's being sus? Really? I wasn't like really paying attention, I guess, but that's kind of weird.
Can't stall anymore.
Okay.
Somewhere in Target.
Oh, that's kind of random, but okay. I wouldn't really go to Target for Nadal, but I mean, this is cool.
Find something really special for him. Maybe pick 5 different items.
5?
Pick 5 different ones and then pick the final one that you're gonna give him.
Oh, I actually have a good idea. First, I'm gonna do a hairstyle because his hair is like, but it's okay, I can fix it.
I'm calling Colin. Salish is right there. Hey, are you ready? Tell me where you are. I'm coming to you now. Go to electronics, okay? Okay, come on. They were in Halloween section, which is super close to Salish, so I told them to go to electronics, which is farther away.
We're going to the electronic. Oh wait, I need to have like the iPhone thing to look like a scanner.
Oh, that's good. Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, she's here. Her buying a present for Nadal is stalling. She's walking right towards him. She's walking right towards him.
Wait, do you see her?
Yeah, she's right down there. Go.
She's right there. She's right there. Oh my God.
Salish and Nadal have grown up a lot in the last 5 months, and I seriously wonder how they will react to seeing each other again. I have to talk to him and see him in his costume before Salish sees him.
I'm gonna get him some mousse because he thinks his hair is curly, so I'm gonna like tell him it's not. And then maybe some ultra fine hairspray. He needs some volume.
I don't know where they went. I don't see them. Do you see them?
Next, I'm gonna get him his favorite snack. 3 years ago, he used to really like Takis, but he needed them dipped in cream cheese. Found them. I'm so smart. I'm gonna get him this. All right, we got the cream cheese. Let's get him a doll.
A doll?
Mm-hmm.
A doll for Nadal.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
There's no way. This she'll know.
Really?
Oh my God, there's no way. Dude, you look ridiculous. Oh, I forgot the scanner. Okay, I'll be right back. She's gonna know it's you, Colin. Just don't get caught anywhere, okay? I'll be right back. I have to go get the scanner before Salish sees him. I forgot the scanner, that was so stupid. Okay, here we go. If Salish sees me with this, she'll know something's up. I think she has a sense I'm up to something. She doesn't know what it is yet though, but she's definitely suspicious.
Ooh, how about we get these Queenie, the 3-pack? and the blind box that just recently came out because, I mean, I know Nidal probably collects these and he probably doesn't have the blind box yet, so that's good for him.
You see me jumping?
So I'm gonna have Nidal pretending to scan clothing right next to Salish. There's no reason for me to be filming right now, and there's no reason for me to be holding this, so if Salish sees either of them, she's gonna know something's up. Oh.
Oh my God.
Okay, here you go. Would Target let you have this hair?
Get them to the electronics section, that's where I'm gonna be.
Electronics section?
The next thing, let's go into electronics because, I don't know, he might like something from there.
Just have.
Oh my God, they're right there, run.
Shoot. Salish, she's suspicious, I can tell.
Can you tell me what's happening?
Nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. We gotta get going.
Sus.
Maybe I should get him a book because I think he might need to be reading a little bit more. Yeah, no, he wouldn't like that. He definitely does need to be reading though.
Any posters?
No.
Not a poster?
No. Oh, maybe I could get him one of these Brain Quests. I used to have these all the time. He's in first grade, right? I could get the first grade one. Let's see if I can do this stuff. Oh, wait.
No way. No way.
Okay, I think she
Maybe
might
you need it. Maybe.
Should we get it for him?
Let's get it.
All right.
The holiday blankets, she's thinking about her.
OMG.
I got this one last year. I'm getting one. Oh.
The snowflakes are cute.
Christmas
I feel like
here.
Nadal's gonna like this one.
Okay.
I feel like he likes red.
Okay, yeah.
Are you excited for Christmas?
Can you tell? I don't really know what I would get here. Let's just walk.
Alright, we probably got a few more things from Nadal, right?
Yeah, thanks. I know he's been wanting this actually. He texted me that he wanted this.
A glitter pop socket?
Yeah.
Nadal? I don't know if he would like that.
He actually texted me. Or should I get this one? No? Alright, I guess neither.
No pop socket?
No.
Dang, okay.
Dang. Okay. Feel the spin you around.
Go that way, go that way, go that way. Oh, that was perfect. He's right there.
Look what I just found. That'll help my disguise so much. I can just act like I'm doing something.
I think this is gonna be the last present. Which one's better? This, oh wow. This one or this one?
I like the blue one.
Okay, perfect. We got Nidal all of his gifts. Now we have to pick one?
It's obvious every time I get near Salish that she knows something is up.
Come here, I'm gonna go in front of her.
So I'm gonna come back in like 2
She's
weeks.
talking about her Christmas blankets like literally every day.
Hi!
I came to surprise you. I have a birthday present for you.
Wait, really? Oh.
I'm gonna have to take you there.
Okay.
All right, bye.
Oh my God.
This is a competition between the most talked about couple on TikTok versus the most shipped friends on TikTok.
And today they're going to face each other in 7 insane challenges
There's ice on my face.
that are going to test their relationships
Pull yourself up, I thought you were trying!
and prove once and for all a real couple or best friends.
Okay, Nidal.
I love you, Salish.
Who has a stronger connection?
First challenge is teamwork. Whichever team can get up this ramp and hit the red buzzer at the top wins the round. The only twist is they're both chained together. Salish Nidal, you go first.
Bro, okay, Nidal, let's just show them how it's done. Come on.
3, 2, 1, go!
What are you doing, Nidal?
No, Salish, you can't pull me back. Oh my goodness.
They can't even get this far. We loaded the ramp up with oil. It's almost impossible to get up there, but if they fall, they won't get hurt. It's all soft.
No, you have to run with me, run with me.
This first challenge is testing teamwork because they're chained together. They've got to work together to get up to the top and hit that buzzer.
Yeah.
Run, run, run.
Nidal!
Run, run, run.
I'm sorry, Nidal!
You're wasting a lot of time. You might want to go a little quicker.
Nice one.
40 seconds.
All right, watch out, I'm going.
Nidal, let me go. Nidal!
Come on, guys, you better hurry up.
Okay, you go. Oh my gosh! Nidal, what are you doing?
This is taking a minute, guys.
Nidal, go!
Lock in. Salish, lock in, lock in.
Let me go in front. Trust.
No.
Oh, you're gonna get there.
Go, go, go.
Oh, smart move. No.
Fall.
Get there.
You got it, Nidal. Yes!
Get it. Oh, she got it. 107.15.
Yeah, we got it!
Let's go.
Nidal, what are you doing? we're gonna win because we've known each other for 6 years, so obviously we have better connection.
This is gonna be a walk through the park, bro.
It's gonna be a piece of cake.
Easy, bro. We got this, right?
You guys have to beat a minute 7.15. Are you ready?
Easy. Nailish, you're going down.
Wait, I got the perfect strategy.
You do? Wait, what are you doing?
We're gonna go
1, 2, 3, go!
1, 2, 3. Jenny! Jenny!
Go!
Jenny!
What are they doing with a piggyback ride? That was never going to be a good idea.
Jenny Angelo! Go fast!
Push my butt!
Guys, you've already used 30 seconds. Go!
Push!
Okay, wait. Bro, we're obviously gonna win. Look at them. They can't even do it.
They can't even get past the bottom floor.
Yeah!
Oh my God, let's go. All right, I'm gonna throw you. I'm gonna throw you.
What?
1, 2, 3.
What the? Oh, that didn't work.
Push my butt on 3, I'm gonna jump. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was good. Best friends can't do that. That's why they're not gonna win.
Bro, best friends can do anything that you
He's gonna fall, he's gonna fall, he's gonna fall.
Guys, you got to get up there in the next 12 seconds. You better hurry up.
I got it. Ball.
If you guys slip right now, you lose. One more fall and Nailish wins.
Wait, they're almost there.
No! No!
Let's go!
105.05. Couples win round 1. With that, the couple is winning 1-0. And it's good that they're happy right now because later today, someone is going to say something that nobody expected.
Wait, so you don't love me back? No, so you don't love me back? No, so I love you, Salish.
Next round is dead weight carry, but they can't drag their feet on the ground. Halfway through, the girls are going to carry the boys. First team to get back to this blue line wins. Go. Wait, what?
No, go! Ow!
Oh my God. Wait, okay, Jenny, I got you.
Oh my God!
How is he already? Oh my gosh! Wait. Go, pick me up.
Salish, pick him up, dude! The boys have to stay dead weight and not help the girls pick them up. Oh, Salish, yes! Put him on your back!
How did she do that?
Put your hands around his leg! Yes! Go! Go, Salish! Don't let his feet touch! Don't let his feet touch! Keep him up a little bit more! Don't let his feet touch! You did it! Oh my God, we won!
We did that. We crushed that. It's okay. We did great. It's okay.
This is for the blue team, and this gift is for the red team. The boys actually picked the gifts for the girls. So this gift is from Nadal to Salish, and this gift is from Angelo to Jenny. And the first team to get 3 points opens their gift. For the next challenge, you're gonna need this. Here, you might want to hold this one too.
This better not be what I think it is.
Come on, come with me.
Jordan? No.
She's driving.
Salish is not. Salish, you are not driving.
Yes, I am.
Oh my God.
Don't spill on your way in. Next round is trust. Go!
Jenny, do you know how to put the car in drive?
Yeah. You know, you're just gonna trust me, okay?
Oh my God.
Salish does not look like she knows how to drive.
I don't think you know how to drive.
The girl's job is to drive really slowly and carefully so there's no water spilled on top of the guy.
Jenny! Jenny!
Whoever hits the red button first loses this round.
The waters are kind of falling. Also,
Yo, don't press the red button. You just have to trust me, okay?
Nadal and Angelo are probably about to get really wet.
Oh gosh, Angelo!
I added a little extra something by making it very embarrassing for Salish and Nadal to order the Nailish special. So let's see how they do that.
We're going to Starbucks and we have to get 2 Nailish specials for my dad and we have to bring it back.
Jenny, red light! Red light! Red light, Jenny! I am freezing. I want to click the button. Jenny, I'm going to click the button.
I'm watching both of them and it's going terribly. If Angelo hits the red buzzer, that means they can turn around immediately and he can put on another pair of pants. But if he doesn't hit the red buzzer, that means he has to go all the way through the drive-thru, order the Nailish special, and come all the way back. All these cups will be reused by us and then recycled eventually when we can't use them anymore. It's also crazy to see Salish driving Nadal. Salish is getting her license next week, but since she has a permit, she can only drive when there's an adult in the car. So Rowan is hiding in the backseat.
Oh my God! Salish! I'm pressing the red button. Stop. I'm pressing the red button.
I did not know that the acceleration on this car was that bad.
Oh my God, I have water all over me! Gas pedal, right or left?
Left.
What?
It's the right. She said that with too much confidence.
I can't do lefts and rights.
Jenny, so that's a yellow light, so you gotta either go or stop.
You told me.
You're in the pedestrian crosswalk! I am so sorry.
Ooh.
Salish, drive normal. Salish, it's on my feet!
Sorry.
This is crazy.
Jenny, I'm clicking the button. I'm sitting in the puddle.
No, please,
Jenny,
Angelo,
I need
we're not losing to them, please, Angelo.
Oh my gosh!
You're spilling the water on me.
Oh, how does it feel? Silas, I'm about to press the button. The water is spilling all over me. You suck at driving.
Shut up.
I don't know what Jenny's doing.
I'm glad she's not driving my car. That's Sandy's car, so don't tell him. Wait, he edits this. Okay, uh-oh. Sandy, sorry, dude.
Hi, may we please have a vanilla frappuccino with strawberry in it and vanilla cold foam?
This water keeps falling on me.
Thank you.
Stop.
Hi, can I have the Nailish special?
The Nailish special. It's like a really popular drink on TikTok. Can I get a Nailish special, please? What is your name? Oh my God! I'm sorry, ma'am.
Salish, S-A-L-I-S-H. You know, she was mad at me. That was so scary. Why would
I don't care if she was mad at you. There's 4 Starbucks drinks by my feet. Jenny, I'm sorry we're fighting. Let's make up. I'm just really cold.
I understand. It's okay. I don't blame you.
Vanilla frappuccino with strawberry puree blended and vanilla cold foam.
For anyone wondering who wants to go order it at Starbucks, that's the order.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
He's drinking my drink?
Oh, thank you so much. You deserve it.
They're both on their way back and nobody has hit the red button.
Angelo and Jenny are not gonna trust each other because they've only known each other for like, what, 2 months?
I know, we've known each other for 6-7 years. Like
yeah,
that.
literally.
6-7! All right, that was too much. All right, I gotta stop. Ah, freezing! Get it off me! Ah, that's cold!
Oh, you're so stupid!
Ah, there's ice in my pants! Jordan, I don't think I'll ever accept your challenge again. Nope, not happening.
Nope, not happening.
Nope, I'm gonna
We'll see him in 3 months.
I'm gonna press the button.
No, you're not.
I keep threatening you with the button.
Can we just stop for a second and look at Salish when she started on this channel? Time flies, man. Can you believe she's driving?
And the parking lot is
right. I see it.
Do you? Oh my God.
They're here. They're here. Neither team hit the button. Nobody gets a point.
We made it.
Let's go!
Nice one, Jordan. Yeah, I survived with a cup and a half.
Wait, guys.
You don't do it!
No, it wasn't my idea. Actually, Nadal, it wasn't my, do not, whoa. Okay.
Dad, we got
my Nailish drink?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, Nailish special. Thank you. Did you even get that wet? Okay, guys, right now the 2 teams think they're on a break, but actually they're being observed by Paula, who is a body language expert. And at the end, she's gonna decide which one of them has a better connection, and that team wins a point.
Oh boy.
And they have no idea they're competing right now.
Well, one disappeared right now, but I can tell you this. Some interesting things about where people sit next to each other tells a lot about body language. Your body actually faces towards who you like. Like, look at his feet. Nothing is towards.
Interesting.
Okay, oh, she's touching her hair though. Females tend to do self-soothing gestures, like touching your hair, stroking your chest, so that's interesting.
Instead of doing Windex, I'm gonna spray the Sincerely Yours cucumber spray.
Oh, that's amazing.
Okay, now he's back. And he touched her leg, touching. That is huge. Oh, now they're leaning closer together.
Oh, so when he sat down, she got up and sat leaning in.
Leaning in, and now they're sitting next to each other, whispering close. That is huge oxytocin. Oxytocin is like when you're building a connection with someone. So it's a touch.
They're still
eye
doing
contact.
it.
Oh, touching, laughing. The hair. Did you see the hair again? Yeah. And look at her lift the leg. She's getting closer to him. And that's a genuine smile. So genuine smiles are all the way from like the cheeks. You look from here up.
What do you think about the red vibe early on?
The red have a connection. They definitely have a connection, but I feel a stronger connection as of right now with the blue.
I see.
Just do you
sitting
see how
there
they're
whispering.
fronting and they're fronting towards you? Remember what I told you about the feet? Look at the feet. They're
the feet are going towards each other.
Yep. See, close again.
What are they whispering about?
I know, that's what I want to know.
What's all the whispering?
And she's doing a lot of hair touching.
She's been doing that ever since she met him. Cue a bunch of those moments. First person to look away from their partner.
I'm kidding, Salish, I can walk.
What?
Real.
Yeah, you better not, because you...
Are they not a couple?
Salish and Nadal, no, they're the best friends. What? What was that? So their story is they've been best friends since they were 10. The internet, you people, keep wanting to ship them and have them date. Their friendship is too perfect to ever ruin it by dating.
I don't know, the internet might be onto something.
Okay, this is not how I want this.
Look at this! I kind of want this relationship for myself. Oh, she's going back in.
I thought that was the...
I know, I forgot.
The blue team definitely seems to be enjoying each other's company.
So Nadal, you can stand on this side.
Paula is convinced that they will be a couple at some point, right? This is not it for me.
No, yeah, they will.
Oh, God. Okay, I'm gonna just clarify something. Salish and Nidal are very, very tight. I have no doubt that maybe in some universe they could date, just not this universe.
I mean, like tomorrow. And I think that you'd be so happy.
What's this tell you?
So she's fidgeting, which can be anxious. You can be anxious around people you like. But they oxytocin, they gave a high five. Oh, they're leaning in. They leaned in together. Oh, now see, I like this a lot. They are connecting. The red team's connecting. Oh, and she just crossed her legs to point towards him. Another connection. They look very connected to each other. I mean, this is a hard one. Females, when they like someone as a self-soothing gesture, we do this. It's very common. She just did that with him. Oh, and she's touching him. She touches him a lot. She's into him. So I've been a body language expert for 10 years, and I think Salish and Nidal, they might be a couple one day.
Okay, I think we're done with this now.
I want to show you guys something that we have been working on for so long. Sincerely yours finally has. We're having a super secret launch event in Los Angeles on May 30th. I can't tell you guys where it is yet, but it's somewhere that's super special to me, and it's gonna be so fun. We're gonna pick 2,000 people who sign up to come to the free event. Link in the description for all the info, and I can't wait to see you guys there.
Before we start the next challenge, I want to let you guys know that you actually just had a challenge that you were unaware of. While you were having your break, you were actually being analyzed by a body language expert.
I didn't know we were being watched.
She made a determination that one team is more connected than the other, and she's about to come in and tell you who won that round. Are you ready to find out who just won the round?
Oh my goodness.
Paula, come on in.
So you both have a genuine connection, and I can see it in both of you guys. But the winner is the blue team.
Wait, that means we can get out of here. Let's go.
I told you.
Salish and Nidal are winning 2-1. So if they win this challenge, the entire game is over, and Salish gets to open her present. For this next challenge, we're testing how well each couple. Wow, whoa, okay, hold on. Okay. For this challenge, we're testing how well each team knows each other. These balloons are filled with water, and there's multiple layers. I'm gonna bring in a special guest that's gonna ask each of them a question. If they both answer it correctly, they don't have to cut the balloon. If they answer it incorrectly, then the girl has to cut as thin a line as they can, because there's multiple layers.
Okay, Nidal, you got this?
And now, for our special guest, Gigi Wonder. Let's go.
Salish and Nidal, have you guys ever dated? 3, 2, 1.
No.
Oh, I don't.
So wait, does that mean that you're talking to somebody right now?
No, I'm not talking to anybody.
But you said in the last video with Netflix that you were talking to somebody.
I'm not talking to anybody.
Salish, come back. I need to know. Salish, tell me the Nidal thing was the lie. Wait, that would mean you're talking to somebody?
Angelo and Jenny, how long have you guys been dating? 3, 2, 1.
1 month.
Nidal, have you ever given Salish flowers, and Salish, have you ever received them from Nidal? 3, 2, 1.
Yes.
Wait.
Oh, different answers!
How would you not know that?
How did you forget? He got me flowers. I remember this one time, like Valentine's Day a couple of years ago. On Valentine's Day, I'm in Starbucks. I look out the window and I see this boy, and we lock eye contact, and he brings me flowers. But I didn't want to say yes, because then people are gonna think he's the one that got me flowers at Starbucks, but he's not that one.
Salish, you gotta pop the balloon. Oh gosh, he's gonna get, you did it, yeah!
I got 2.
It's very obvious, but whoever gets wet, that team loses, and the winning team gets a point.
Are you guys actually dating, or is it just for social media?
That's such an easy question. Obviously, they're gonna say yes, because if they were fake dating, they would still say yes.
No, what? I thought you were just gonna say obviously, because we're obviously dating.
She's got a good point.
3, 2, 1.
It's for real.
How long have you guys been friends? 3, 2, 1.
6, 7.
Oh my God, 6, 7.
That's not a correct answer.
Yeah, it's 6 or 7 years.
Gotta be more specific.
It's been 6 or 7 years.
6 or 7 years, come on.
What? They had to ask if they were real girlfriend, boyfriend. We have to say the date, November 22nd. Like, what is this?
This one is for Angelo to see if he gets it right about Jenny. What is Jenny's favorite drink from Starbucks? 3,
1.
Water. Wait, but like it's nothing. She doesn't drink Starbucks soda water. It's triple filtered. Wow.
That was offensive, Angelo.
She's gonna pop it.
Cut more.
We have to win.
Just go! Like, make it like this, Jenny!
Salish, what is Nidal's favorite TV show ever? 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, this. That's not a show.
It's Naruto.
Yeah, Naruto.
Really? I said Naruto!
No, you said anime. One wrong move from Salish and they lose this challenge.
Anime is not a show.
There we go. Oh, whoa!
Cut 2 again.
Okay, Jenny and Angelo, lock in. What day was your guys' first kiss?
I got it.
Wait, no!
2.
Let me think. Oh, wait.
1.
February 23rd.
No. Angelo, tell me the truth. Did you say it right or wrong?
I genuinely don't know what I said.
What do you mean you don't know?
I said February 23rd.
Okay, pop the balloon.
How do you remember that?
Because I was editing the video and I saw that in the file data.
You have a video of you kissing?
The reason we have a video is because I wanted to film a TikTok and he told me, oh, it would be cool if we kissed at the end of the video because it would look cooler. And then I was like, no.
What? Now, if Nidal ever said that to me, I'd be like, oh heck no, like we're not friends anymore.
Okay, pop his balloon.
Oh my god, it's about to pump. No, stop. Jenny, can you be gentle? Ah!
I got like 3 layers.
Be gentle!
Wait, I have a question. Did you ever post the video that you kissed in?
Yeah. Oh, how did he find the video that fast?
Question for Nidal and Salish. Does Nidal open the door for Salish? 3, 2, 1.
Yes. Are you serious?
You've never opened a door for me.
I only opened the door for you.
When?
Bro.
Oh. Wow, I only did 1 this time.
You got it. How old was Jenny when she got her first boyfriend?
Kindergarten.
20. What?
You had a boyfriend in kindergarten?
No, my real boyfriend, 20.
Pop the balloon.
Oh my gosh.
What is Salish's favorite subject in school?
Nothing.
Math. Oh. Go back, sit down.
What day did you guys meet? 3, 2, 1.
January 24th, 2024. Why do you know that?
Go, cut the balloon.
Pop the balloon.
Let me guess, because we made a video. That's the only reason why.
Nidal and Salish, how many products does Sincerely Yours have?
Oh my, don't look.
2, 3, 5.
Oh, he got it wrong.
I'm so stressed out right now.
What is Angelo's favorite hair product?
Curl cream.
Wow.
You're not allowed to say Santa Monica Pier, but what is your favorite place to hang out?
Kalahari.
Yeah! What is Angelo's favorite meal of the day?
Chipotle.
Favorite meal of the day? What do you mean Chipotle?
I don't know. Just like whatever.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. Oh my gosh.
If Jenny pops this balloon right now, Salish and Nidal win, and Salish opens her gift.
Oh, you're cooked. Peace out.
Oh my gosh! The next wrong question is over.
Nidal and Salish, where would Nidal take a girl on their first date? 3, 2, 1.
To get food.
What?
Go. Santa Monica. No, I thought that was the place we went, not with another random girl. Like what the heck? 3, 2.
Say, just stab the balloon.
Wait, I get one more?
There was another one. How is there 2? It's all over. Red team wins a point. We are going on to the final round. Whoever wins the next challenge wins the gift. We saved the best challenge for last, but I gotta take this sign down so it doesn't give anything away.
All right, Jenny doesn't know this, but I got her something she is going to love. I don't know if she's gonna expect it though, but it's really good.
Oh wait, I want to tell you mine is. Look.
I know. I think she's gonna
Wait,
love
that's
it.
kind of
I
good.
know. I think she's gonna love my gift.
For the final round, Salish and Nidal are going to pretend to be a couple. And if they can fool a couple's therapist, then they are obviously more connected than the actual couple, and they should win. Whoever wins this gets to open this present. And girls, what we didn't tell you is the guys actually picked the present for the girls.
I'm so ready.
Okay, here we go.
I want the present.
Are you dating him?
Yeah.
How long have you been dating her?
We've known each other for 6 years, but
That wasn't the question.
Yeah, that wasn't. Yeah, I was about to say.
sorry.
Okay, I'll lead off what she said. We've known each other for like 6-7 years, but we've been dating for like 5 months.
Yeah.
5 months?
Not very long.
Okay, so you've known each other a long time.
Yeah, really long.
But you just started dating
Just
5 months
started.
ago. Okay.
We've already done a full video when Salish and Nidal even fooled me into thinking they might be a couple. They're good at this.
Are you dating her?
Yes.
Okay.
1 month.
Well, we've known each other for 2.5 years, dating for a month.
Okay.
You didn't write anything down for him, but you wrote for us.
She didn't need to.
You don't think that we're dating?
You're not the therapist, Salish. She's been a therapist for over 4 years.
Sorry that you guys aren't the couple.
How did you guys meet?
It's kind of a long story, but basically, he like filmed with my dad a lot, and then I guess we just met. I don't really know how to
Her dad
explain
introduced
it.
us.
Yeah, my dad introduced us at Santa Monica Pier.
Okay. How did you guys meet?
So we do YouTube videos, and then he DM'd me, and then I responded, and we filmed videos together for a couple of years.
She was my first YouTuber friend.
Okay, so you've been together 5 months and you've been together 1 month. How would you say things are going after 5 months since your relationship has been a bit longer?
Yeah, how would you say things are going?
Well, I can't lie. I mean, recently it's been really good. I mean, we've had ups and downs, but for the most part, I think it's good. Like, I think it's great.
I want to know about the downs.
No, I don't want to talk about the downs.
Yeah,
There's a lot of
actually,
downs.
let's not talk about the
Okay,
downs.
if we want to talk about downs, she puts me in videos. All right.
We've done videos testing Salish and Nidal's friendship throughout the years, and they always seem to win every time. But against Jenny and Angelo, I don't know.
Everything is going very good, and I've been spending a lot of time at her house. Her mom and her grandma cook for me, which is really nice. I will say the only down part is I know there is such thing as a honeymoon phase, and like I'm a little scared for what's gonna happen. Why are they laughing at us?
What's going on here? You guys seem to have no fear of the honeymoon phase.
We think it's funny. They're already considering marriage. We're just talking about dating.
Wait.
They're talking about honeymoons and. I mean, I think we might get married, but I think.
No.
Let me say this.
How do you feel about this?
I don't know if I want to be with him forever.
The only reason I say that, I think Jordan Matter might sabotage our relationship. Sabotage.
I don't think he would sabotage it. He just doesn't like you dating me. But I feel like he thinks of you kind of like as a son.
Wait, don't clip that. Don't clip that.
Okay, blue team, I'm gonna observe you guys. I'm gonna have you go stand up and go stand over there.
All right.
Give me a sec, I gotta write something down.
Okay, why are we starting on this? Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Are they supposed to be doing a staring contest? Is that part of this video?
I don't think anyone told them to do that.
Why are they doing a staring contest?
The more I look at you, the funnier you look.
Hey!
This eye's starting to burn really bad.
Yeah, I won!
Stop.
Hold up. I just want you two to focus on each other, and I'm gonna have you slow dance.
What's that?
Together for 30 seconds.
What's slow dance?
You don't know what slow dancing is? Oh my god. You grab my shoulder. Bam, look, step.
1.
Bam. Step.
2.
Other way. Ready? Now we switch. Bam.
3.
Step. Yep. And a 2.
Oh my goodness.
You know what's funny? All that, and they're probably still gonna be better than us. Is that sad?
I know.
Is that sad?
No, we're gonna
That's kind of sad.
We're gonna cook.
And then a spin. And then
I'm glad I didn't come up with these challenges because this is awkward.
Back, out, spin.
Nope. Come here. Look. If we're right here, look.
This is agonizing.
Bam.
Side. Why do you
Bam.
keep saying bam?
Bam.
Stop saying bam!
Bam. 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 And then unravel.
That was good.
That was
See?
good. That
We
was
got the
good.
tango down.
Nice.
Okay, they don't get cooked
That
at the
was
end.
good.
I'm not gonna lie.
That was good.
I love their friendship. I mean, she is having such a blast. Like, why would I hate that? I want this to go on forever, and that's a big reason why I don't want them to date. I don't want this to change.
I'm not gonna lie, that dance was actually good and you had progress.
We know.
But why did you guys high five each other at the end? Couples don't high five each other when they're happy.
How would you know that? You guys have been high-fiving all day. How about we compare hugs?
What are you talking about?
How about we compare hugs?
Sit up.
Oh, damn you!
Let's compare hugs.
I'm down.
Holy performative! No.
Okay, hug.
Okay.
Connect.
Wow.
Oh, wait, how long was that? Can we get a timer on that? Let's get a replay.
Sorry, we're not trying to have a minute.
That was like less than 2 seconds.
Hand
Oh,
placement.
the pat on the back. Oh.
Where's your hand?
I think my friend's done someone like that before. That's crazy.
All right, guys. Red team. It's your turn now. I'm gonna have you guys go and slow dance for at least 30 seconds.
Okay, you know what? Okay. 1, 2, spin. All right, let's see the move we did yesterday at the party. Oh, yes!
I like feel cringe right now.
Okay, it's not about how good you can slow dance. It's more about just like the vibe and like the energy between the two of you.
Yay!
It has to be like a. Like it has to be like.
You know, I think Sailor should dip you next time because you're pretty good at it. I'm not gonna lie.
It has to be a good dip.
All right, I think the dancing is over.
Yeah, I think we're the best friends.
They got like 30 minutes. We got like 5 seconds.
10 minutes. It felt like 30 minutes because you guys were so awkward together sitting. You didn't know what to talk about, so it felt like 30 minutes. But we felt like 2 minutes.
That was a lot of words.
All right, red team. The last thing I'm gonna have you guys do, if you feel comfortable with it, is tell each other that you love each other.
I just want to say before we start, obviously, if you're not comfortable with this, she can come up with
I'll come up
another
with something
challenge.
else
Of course.
if we need something.
It's up to you.
Listen, if I was dishonest, I'd be like, Jenny, you know, but like it's like I'm being honest. We've been dating a month, but like I said it on FaceTime when you helped me tie a tie, and that was very sweet.
Jenny, I love you. Yes!
Wait, what? I mean, I gotta go. Bye.
Okay, I think I need to leave. Why is he laughing?
All right. Oh, she's writing. Excuse me, we're having a moment.
Can I just say to the cameras really quick how awkward this is? There's Jenny and Angelo, and then there's like 12 people just filming them right there with lights up and everything.
I love you.
Jenny.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh gosh.
Jenny, I love you.
Angelo, I love you.
Thank you.
Blue team, your turn. I'm gonna have you go stand over there. And you can decide between the two of you who wants to say I love you to the other person if you feel comfortable.
I'm all ears.
Okay.
I just want to know, I think it's easier to say I love you to a best friend than it is as a couple. Because as a best friend, it's like, love ya. But like, as a couple, it means something so much more. So if it's
We
easy.
said it a lot more as best friends.
Okay.
You gotta pull it off.
Nito.
Okay, that's a little much, right?
Okay, Nito. I love you.
Was that so hard?
Was that so hard? Wait, so you don't love me
I
back?
think that was great.
No, so you don't love me back?
No, I love you back.
No,
I love you back. No, I love you too. No, I love you too. No, I said
say I love you,
too.
Sailor.
I love you too. It's okay.
I love you,
I love you
Sailor.
too.
No,
It's okay.
No, say I love you, Sailish.
Okay, I love you, Sailish. Bam.
Good job.
I mean, truth is, I know they love each other as friends. Of course they do. This is easy. But will the therapist realize it's friendship or think they're couples?
They made it seem so much harder. They're like, okay, are you ready?
Also, they say they've only been dating for a month.
We have been only dating for a month.
But we've been dating for like 5 months, so like it's not as awkward.
If I was the therapist, I wouldn't know who to pick because Jenny and Angelo are super connected, but Sailish and Nadal, kind of next level.
I think it is time to find out who is opening their present. Team Red or Team Blue? Are you guys ready? Are you ready to tell us who you think is the real couple?
Yes. Red team, I feel like you guys are both so chill together. Like there's not as much of the like nerves and everything like that. So blue team, When I saw you guys go up, it was really cute. Like, I feel like you were so excited to teach her how to slow dance. You were like, okay, like you were really working at it to get her to kind of like learn the steps, do the dip, like all of that. It's my honest thoughts. And therefore, Red, I believe that you guys are the real
Okay, well, the real couple was the red team.
Sweet.
Congratulations, you won, Jenny. This gift was picked by Angelo, so you can open it. Oh, Salish. Nidal bought you a sweet gift that you could have gotten if you had won, but you lost. Okay, Jenny, let's see what you got.
Kind of nervous.
Oh my goodness. Wait, what? Oh, this is so cool. Why did I think it was gonna be a dumpling?
You thought I was gonna give you a dumpling?
Yeah, that's so nice. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, thank you.
Wait, Nido, if we won, what would I have gotten?
Oh my gosh, Nido!
Why didn't we win?
I'm sorry.
Nido, what the heck?
I'm sorry. Chill out.
Today, my daughter Salish and her best friend Nidal compete to find out who knows each other better, a real couple or best friends. This is Jensen and Eliana. How long have you been dating?
5 years.
And this is Salish and Nidal. How long have you been best friends?
6, 7 years.
Oh.
6, 7. Mustard.
Oh no, that's gone. That's done.
Can I move on with the intro? I'm gonna do my intro. They will face a series of challenges to test their relationships.
What's my favorite gift you've ever given me?
Everybody shipping, let's get away until the end.
Joke, I was crying.
Yeah, were you crying?
Yeah.
Wow, wait, that's gonna be interesting. The first team to score 5 points wins this competition. And whoever wins gets to do whatever they want on Valentine's Day, and I'll pay for it. What are you guys gonna do if you win?
We're going to Korea, followed by Japan.
Whoa, that's super expensive, so I'm really hoping you guys don't win. For Valentine's Day, what are you guys gonna do if you win?
Well, I think he should have a date for Valentine's Day, so I'm gonna pick him out a date, which is gonna be fun.
Okay.
And then you have to pay for their date.
I have to pay for his date?
Yeah, you have to pay for my date.
But you know what can neither of them win? By the end of this video, we're gonna know who has the strongest relationship, a real couple or best friends.
You guys aren't even a real couple. I mean,
Yeah, no, we're obviously gonna win.
Stop. Let's move on to round one. Whoa! Round 1, extreme staring contest. First up, real couple. All you have to do is look at each other for 30 seconds in the eyes, and then it's gonna get more complicated. If you look away, you automatically lose this round. 1, 2, 3, go.
all right, here we go.
You have pretty eyes.
This is gonna be so much more awkward for them than it's gonna be for us.
I don't know how they're gonna do this.
Yeah, it sucks for them.
And done. Good work. Salish and Nidal, you're up next. Round 1, best friends. You have to stare each other in the eye for 30 seconds, but this is the easy part. It's gonna get harder. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go.
I don't know which eye to look at.
Look in the center.
I can't. That's not your eye.
10 seconds.
Staring at each other in the white room.
Nothing weird here. Just normal Saturday.
And time. Let's make it a little more difficult. This competition is just getting started because what we have coming up
Sleep deep all the way down, deeper.
is unlike anything we've ever done on this channel.
Why didn't you open your eyes?
Now you have to continue to look each other in the eyes with distraction. First person to look away from their partner loses it for that team. 3, 2, 1, keep looking.
I see peripheral vision, a dog.
A dog?
Oh, it's a fin! Ah!
I really want to look.
Look at her eyes.
Oh, I am. Oh my God, it's so cute. What is it?
Oh, this dog looks so cute. Come here.
Keep
Come
looking.
here, that's just
Let's see if you break the eyes.
Come here. Come here. Hi, Charlie. It's like low-key hard.
Of course, the dog is the easiest distraction we have right now, so it's time to ramp things up.
She told me I look like a bug, Jordan. Are those rocks? What is it?
It's an egg.
It's been a while since I juggled.
You are no help. No, Jordan.
Oh man, that's such a mess.
Hi, sisters. Oh, Salish, you look so beautiful.
Oh my God.
Let me just help you with a little makeup here. Let's just do a little something. Oh, your makeup looks really good, actually. Make some makeup here. This is looking a little ugly.
Is there makeup on?
Oh my God, no, you almost won. What? Did you just do my makeup? No. No, stop, Jordan.
Magic,
You good? Oh,
okay, it's okay. It's fine. We got flowers. Anybody? Nope. Come fix it.
Done messed it up.
Come fix it, James.
Dude, what's up with the bronzer?
I'll come
What
back.
happened?
Here, you can keep that.
Stay away from me!
$1,000 if you look over here. Look for $1,000.
Okay, sure. One card. Any magic trick? Phyllis, you look great.
All right. Did either of them look away?
I don't think we do.
Sandy, roll the tape. Salish looked away a bunch, so Jensen and Eliana win this round. And this is the easiest challenge they had to face today because I wasn't kidding when I said we had to ramp it up.
Everybody shipping nuts.
Round 2, guess the partner. Jensen and Eliana, you go first.
All right.
Jensen is wearing noise-canceling headphones, which means the only time he'll be able to hear anything is when
Someone talks to this voice modulator. Sorry.
And he's wearing noise-canceling headphones.
And the only way they can determine what they hear is this.
What?
Oh, it's the comedian.
Wait, can you say your intro really quick?
Jensen is wearing noise-canceling headphones, which means the only way he'll hear anything is when someone speaks in this voice modulator.
Hey,
you know what?
The comedy show's a couple blocks down.
You guys do you. This is Eliana's mom, Yolanda. Jensen will get 5 questions, and one of them will answer each question. At the end, he's gonna have to decide who is Eliana. So I don't accidentally say their name, I'm gonna give them each a number.
Jensen, ask your first question.
This last time we went to China, what was the coolest hotel we stayed in?
Number 1, the Mountain Resort.
On our first date, where did we go?
I'm gonna give it to number 2, Mel's Diner.
I don't know if that was technically our first date. I don't know if Eliana would say that. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about number 2.
Oh.
Next question.
What is our most favorite trip we've ever been on?
I'm gonna give it back to number 2 to redeem herself. It would emphatically be
What?
Japan 2024.
Really?
Number 4, question number 4.
What is my favorite color?
I'm gonna give it to number 1. Blue.
What? It's not blue.
This is for a Valentine's Day date wherever you wanna go. No pressure.
There's a lot of pressure, actually. What is my favorite?
Sorry, there's somebody's hacking over there in the background. We're getting distracted. There's some giggling and coughing over there in the background. Okay.
Like, what are you doing back there? We're trying to film a scene. It's intense. They want to win a Valentine's date, and you guys are just chill back there.
Jensen, go ahead.
What is my favorite movie we've watched recently?
Who would you like?
I want number 2 to answer.
Number 2. Titanic.
What?
It's your favorite.
My favorite?
Jensen, are you ready to pick number 1 or number 2?
Number 2's answers have been a little suspicious this whole time, so I think number 2 is Yolanda, and I think number 1 is Ellie.
All right, come around and see if you're right.
Yes! I got it right! Oh my gosh!
Jensen and Eliana just got another point.
Let's go!
And now Salish has noise-canceling headphones, and
You're gonna have to guess between 2 people, Nidal and a mystery guest. Who knows you better?
And of course, I'm the mystery guest. Let's see if the best friends actually have a better connection than the couple.
Okay, Salish, who would you want first? Number 1 or number 2?
2. What's my favorite gift you've ever given me? This is so easy.
A necklace?
Yeah. What necklace?
With a heart.
Bro, what?
Would you like number 1 to answer as well?
Yeah.
The necklace I bought you in Lebanon. This is number 2. The necklace had a heart with your name in the middle, but it was a heart.
It wasn't a heart. Bro, what the heck? It was not a heart. It was just my name.
No, it was a heart.
But Nidal is the person to like forget something super quickly, and he might have just forgotten because that's something he would definitely do. But okay, next question. What's the first thing that we do when we see each other? Like earlier today.
Do you want number 1 or number 2?
Number 1.
give each other a hug.
Give each other? My dad would say give each other a hug, but if you were Nidal, you would say you give me a hug. You wouldn't say give each other. So that's definitely my dad. Each other a hug.
What even makes you think I'm doing it?
Okay, so now you're trying to back up your answer.
I'm over there answering them, like getting the two contestants to answer the question. Why would you even think I'm one of them? Why do you keep saying dad?
Because I thought you were the one. Okay, next question. I'm gonna ask number one a really hard question. What do we like to do together? Nidal, don't give him the answer. Go ahead, Dad, you got it.
A lot of stuff, you know, I like to go.
Bro, that literally sounds like my dad and how he talks. Can I just already guess? Can I guess?
Just let me answer the question.
If this was Nidal, he would be like, no.
We like to go waterboarding, water skating, water skiing. What the fuck?
I literally hear Nidal cackling in the background with his little laugh. It's like, Okay, I'm done. The headphones are off. I'm guessing that number 2 is Nidal. Let me come see. Oh, I knew it! Bro, Dad, what the heck was that? Why are you crying? Jordan, I think you need to be better at this.
Yeah, that was really bad.
He only answered one question, he got it wrong, and you still knew it was him. Well, anyway, they won, so they got a point.
Woo! That was just the most easy round. I just want to
Yeah, that was so easy, bro.
What was up with the necklace, though?
Bro, it's a heart necklace.
No, wait, so let me literally pull up the video right now because it's not a stupid heart necklace.
It's a heart necklace.
It's not a heart.
That's not a heart, bro. She was right. You mocked the necklace.
Every challenge is going to get harder.
Do I look like I was crying?
Yeah, were you crying?
Yeah.
How are you guys doing so far?
Feel real confident.
So excited.
How do you feel about getting him a date?
I really want to win because, oh my gosh, the girl I'm gonna pick for you.
Next round is TikTok Trust Trends Best of 3. Here's the first trust challenge you're gonna have to do. Watch this. In level 1, trust is everything. Each team must lift their partner into the air without dropping them. Whoever does it first wins.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
Go, 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 go.
Go, 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 go. Sabotage, sabotage, sabotage. Move, move, move. Go, 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 go. Jump. Come on, go, go, go.
Put your arms out.
Go, 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 go. Hey, put your arms out. Put your arms out.
No, you gotta hold by the legs, Jensen.
What?
By the legs is the trend.
Wait, you have to hold from here.
All right, go, go, jump, jump.
Oh my God, that's easy. Easy victory.
Are we doing it?
You lost. Level 2 is this trend of trust.
2, 1.
So, but we're gonna make it a little easier
So that's the
and
trust.
use a soft bat. Wait, who do you want? You want to go first? Okay, back up. She wants to go first. These are foam, so they shouldn't even hurt. Okay, ow, they hurt a little. Okay, don't do that. This is what this should look like. Now you guys get an idea. This is Rowan, he's our creative director. First, Salish is gonna hit this cup off of Nidal's head with the bat. We're gonna see how far it goes, and then Jensen and Eliana are gonna have to hit it further or they've lost this round.
What?
All right, you have 30 seconds to figure out who's hitting.
No, I don't trust him.
No, I don't know how much I trust
promise him.
her. No.
I swear.
Say that, wait, Nidal, come here.
Hey, I have 2 months of baseball experience.
2 months is crazy.
I'm here.
She was in Little League. Show the photo.
No.
You see? I got you. Face, sit down, knees. Salish, you're gonna hit as far as you can that way, and then this team has to hit it further or you've won this round.
Oh, this is horrible.
If the cup falls off, you automatically lose the point.
I actually can't watch it.
Oh, wow.
That was it?
It's on now. It's on it.
Salish, oh my God, I just want to thank you. I'm so grateful that you went light on the swing.
You're welcome.
Because I think you might have done something really bad otherwise, you know?
So you trust me, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Obviously, Nidal trusted his best friend enough to let her do that. Do you trust your boyfriend or do you want to just lose this round automatically?
Oh, no, I'm not losing it.
Okay,
Oh,
okay.
all right.
Just trust. Trust.
All right, do you trust me?
No.
Wow. Okay, don't move. It's placed perfectly, Jensen. You want to get a little closer? You're really going to go with that hole?
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh! You guys
We
won
won!
that! You destroyed them!
Buddy didn't even know it was no competition.
This is level 3. How low can you go? Whoever takes a drink of the Nailish special first wins this round.
Wait, Jesse, we just did this in ballroom.
Oh, Salish, you got that.
I I don't trust you whatsoever.
Be safe. It's not easy. You can practice if you want. Whoever takes a sip, you show me that you got a sip, you win this round. 1, 2, 3, go.
I can't.
What are you doing? No. Hold on tight. Hold my hand, hold my hand, hold my hand, hold my hand. Hold my hand, hold my hand.
Oh, they neither. No, Salish, get up. You gotta have your feet. Neither of them did it.
Okay, go.
Yes!
Go. Keep your core tight. Keep your core tight.
It's trust. Back up, no knees. Oh! No, go again. You gotta show me.
Hey, lean forward.
Oh, no, you went down. No. It's yours if you go. She's close. She got it. Let me see. She got it. This round goes to Salish and Nadal.
That was her fault.
Next round is twin telepathy. I'm gonna give each team an action that you have to complete, and if you match up, then you get a point. Whoever has more points in this round wins the round. Ready? First team to get to 3 wins. Couples, touch your head. Oh, they got the point. Nadal, what is Salish's body position right now? What? Yes, you actually got
Did
it.
he do
Okay,
it?
couple, name a Netflix show. 1, 2, 3, go.
Stranger Things. Were you gonna say manifest?
Yeah.
I was gonna say that too.
Best friends, make your favorite YouTube expression. Does that count, guys? No, Salish knew it but got it. You guys are still tied. Couple, hold up one finger. Yes, you got it.
Let's go.
Best friends, hold up 2 fingers. Got it. Best friends, fix your hair like Nadal. Nope. He uses one hand.
No, he doesn't.
He just did.
But he doesn't normally.
Nadal, do you normally?
Okay, realistically, no. But I thought she was gonna do like
you
the
were
one hand.
guessing.
I told you to just
gotta
do what
just
you
do it for
do.
real. Couple, cross your arms.
That's so easy.
The opposite arms. Wow.
No.
I was already
This is
crossing my arms.
Whatever. Nope. Best friends, name a movie star. 3, 2, 1, go.
Tom Cruise.
Needle, you were
Tom
talking
Cruise.
about
No,
Tom Holland in
Tom
the car
Cruise.
today.
This is gonna include hand position and direction. Couple, spin in a circle.
That's so unfair.
Hand position and direction.
They went the opposite ways.
Really?
You went the opposite ways.
This is my go-to.
Are you actually dating, or has this all been for YouTube?
Well, opposites.
You can reveal it right now.
Opposites do attract, Jordan.
Opposites attract.
Salish and Nadal, if you get this right, you win this round. You're one step closer to Nadal getting a Valentine's Day date. Salish and Nadal, touch a body part. 1, 2, 3, go. And he went with head, you went with nose. Oh.
We're still in this.
Couple, dance. 3, 2, 1, go. And wow, Jensen, is that you dancing?
What
This
did
is
he
not
do?
dancing.
What'd you do?
I don't know.
Sudden death. Here we go. Couple, say a movie. 3, 2, 1, go.
Titanic.
Oh my gosh, who wants to win this thing? Are you kidding me?
Really?
Okay. Best friends. You obviously live far apart and you don't see each other often. The next time you see each other, where do you want to go? 3, 2, 1, go.
Santa Monica Pier.
Oh, come on, let's go! They won another round!
Good job, Needle.
Give that a three.
Yeah.
Salish and Nadal just went up 3-2, but what's coming up will push both teams to their limits. You guys have to start winning some rounds. This round is very simple. We're testing loyalty. The guys are sitting in front of a bowl of ice, and each of you has the option to dunk their face into the water. And if you dunk their face into the water, you will get a $500 Sephora gift card.
What?
Oh.
Are you loyal enough that you will not dunk your partner into the water and avoid the $500, hoping that you win this whole thing for the date? Or will you just take the hit and get your $500?
Whoa! What are you doing?
As soon as I count to 3, both teams will have 15 seconds to prove exactly how loyal they are to their teammate. And what they decide may catch you by surprise. Jensen, do you have any last things to say to Eliana?
Please, we have to go for the big date.
Nadal, do you have anything to say to Salish?
I don't think she's gonna dunk me because she loves me. What?
Whoa, what? I mean, yeah, I do love you. As a friend, chill.
Oh.
What is that reaction?
Let's move ahead. The first person who dunks their teammate into the ice water wins a $500 Sephora gift card, but loses the round. 1, 2, 3.
You don't have to do this.
Shut up, I'm thinking. I could buy all the Sincerely Yours products for under $100. So that's not even like half of my budget.
10.
I really need new stuff.
9.
I can buy you new things.
8.
You know, I could buy you more Sincerely Yours.
7.
Why would I want
We
makeup?
get it.
6.
Can you be quiet so I can think?
5. 4. 3. 2.
Oh my god!
Yes! Oh my gosh, we won!
I knew she would do it.
I got a $500 gift card!
Thank you.
I'm sorry, Nito.
You trusted her too. I did trust you, Salish.
I'm sorry.
Now that Salish has betrayed Nadal's trust just to win a Sephora gift card, let's see if they can make a comeback in the next round. Next round is hypnosis. This is Max Major. He has hypnotized people all over the world, including me. And today he's going to hypnotize one person from each group, and we're going to test those relationships.
You remember what happened last time I was
Oh,
here,
I
right?
remember here. You can hypnotize Nito.
Then out of the two of you, who's getting
I
hypnotized?
mean, I've kind of always wanted to be hypnotized.
Really?
So he's going to hypnotize each one of you, and then you're going to have to prove how strong your bond is. You guys each get to go on a date depending on who wins.
Well, no, you said Japan.
I said
thought
I would
we
pay
agreed
for
on
your
that.
Valentine's Day. We'll talk about
To
it in
Japan.
We'll talk about that.
Both of you stand with your feet together, heels and your toes. Put your hands out in front of you like this. Can you squeeze your hands together nice and tight? Bring them up like this. Take your two pointer fingers, put them towards the sky, together just like mine. That's perfect, just like that. Bring your hands up and look right here. Keep your eyes pointed right here. When you try and separate your fingers, the strongest magnets in the world are going to be holding them together. And you can almost feel it now growing, spreading down through your fingers. As I say go, you can try and separate your fingers and find you can. And the harder you try to pull those fingers apart, the more impossible it is. You're a strong guy and you can really fight and pull.
You're joking right
Relax your hands, shake them out like this. You can relax your hands now.
You're joking. No, you're joking.
Were you faking that just
Wait,
now?
I could do it right now. I could.
You couldn't do it? Could you do it?
A little bit, but it still was harder.
Really?
That's crazy. Okay.
Nothing's gonna happen here that's not safe. You're completely safe. Just look right here beneath this eye. Good. Give me your arm. Just relax your arm. Look right here. Each time I shake your hand, your eyes will get heavier. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. Close your eyes. And sleep deep, completely relaxed deeper. From this moment forward, everything I say to you will instantly become your reality. If I tell you that you see something, you'll see it. You will no longer be able to remember anybody's name. Everyone you look at, you'll recognize your face, but you won't be able to remember their name. And the harder you try to say it, the more impossible it is. You no longer remember anyone's name. 1, 2, wide awake. I know this happened kind of quick. I walked in but we didn't get to meet. Do you remember my name? That's okay. We didn't talk that much. That's okay. This guy here, do you know his name? The more you search for it, the more impossible it is. The harder you try to remember his name, the more impossible it is. How long have you guys known each other?
Over 5 years.
Do you know her name? What's her name?
Eliana.
What's his name? It's gone. Can you just, yeah, it's okay. Just look right here. Do you want his name back?
Yeah.
The thing is, in order to give you something back, I have to take something from you. And I can give you his name, but I take yours, just like this. It's gone. What's his name?
Jensen.
And what's your name? It's gone.
No. No.
No way.
If I tap you right here, everything will come flooding back into your mind. You remember your own name just like that. What's your name?
Eliana.
And what's his name?
Jensen.
Wow.
I'm freaked out right now. No.
Oh my God. Eliana couldn't remember Jensen's name, so they don't get a point. Now it's Nadal's turn.
Remember, S-A-L-I-S-H. Salish.
Oh, there's no studying. There's no studying. There's no prepping. You're right-handed, I think you said before. Good, you can relax that arm. Look at me right here beneath this eye. As I shake your hand, your eyes will get heavier.
Why are you shaking his hand?
Take a deep breath. Close your eyes. Let it out. In. Sleep deep all the way down, deeper and deeper. From this moment forward, anything I say instantly becomes your reality. If I tell you that you see something, you'll see it. If I tell you that you hear something, you'll hear it. As I say 1, 2, wide awake, open your eyes. How you feel right now?
Confused.
Confused.
Nadal, are you good?
I'm great.
You want to keep trying this? Or?
No, stop. Yes, he does.
Oh, I do?
Oh.
Okay.
I want to keep going? Okay, I'll keep going.
Okay, yeah, we can keep going. Just right here, just like this. Look here, beneath this eye. Sleep deep, close your eyes all the way down deeper. When you open your eyes, you look across the room at the people standing in front of you, and it'll be like you have total amnesia. You will not be able to remember anybody's name. As I say 1, 2, wide awake, open your eyes. Good. Look at her. What's her name?
No.
Salish.
What?
How did you not get my name? The love isn't strong enough, you guys.
Shut up! Oh my God!
Work it out, come on.
You guys have known each other like 4 years now!
Both teams have done some incredible challenges, but the score is 4-3 with Salish and Nadal in the lead. And the stakes keep getting higher. So wait until you see the next challenge. Okay, guys, this is huge now. You understand you have to win the next 2 to win this whole thing.
Yes,
All you have to do is win one more and it's over.
Just gotta win.
Have you given any thought to the kind of girl you're gonna find for his date?
Oh yeah, I've given a lot of thought to
Yes.
it. Pretty and really great personality.
like, for sure.
Really sweet,
No, yeah, of
great
course.
style.
Of course, yeah.
It's 4-3. You guys win, it's all over. If you win, it's tied and we go to sudden death. Here we go. This next round is emotion. Each of you is going to choose an emotional song to sing to the other one. You can write it, you can choose to sing it individually, or you can choose to sing together. The judge will determine which song has a greater emotional impact on them, and that team wins. You ready?
We got this.
Can we get some auto-tune?
Yeah, can we also get some auto-tune? He needs it.
We're gonna auto-tune. No, we don't auto-tune.
No, never.
We would not auto-tune. I'm gonna give each team 15 minutes to write the song, and then come back here ready to perform it.
All right,
let's go. Go get 'em.
Let's go. Come on. Okay, Needle. We need to figure out a song that you can sing, because obviously you're gonna sing. So,
wait, I thought we both had to sing.
Each team will have 15 minutes to write the song and then come perform it for the mystery judge.
Okay, but you can't even sing. You won't even try. You're just too embarrassed. So
Do
I'm
we
gonna
really
go,
need to get into this right now?
Yeah, I'm
This
gonna
is
go out
important
and
to
I'm gonna
discuss right
try
now?
and I'm gonna win us the prize.
You're so mean.
Okay, do you want to hear what I have so far?
This is a recording table, and this is Azak. He will be recording the song so it sounds really good for you guys. Yeah, we might use a little bit of auto-tune. Don't hold it against us. And the mystery judge is Asala from the Alazala family. I'm sure you all recently saw that Asala performed in front of 87,000 people at the American Dream Hall, and she's gonna be the judge today.
Okay, I have one. Dear Salish, this one's for you. You're always my best friend, and even in the end, bars. In the bend for your back.
Wow! Stop it! These are horrible lyrics.
I'm gonna name all your flaws.
That is not gonna help us win.
I'm definitely rooting for Salish and Nadal here because Eliana and Jensen will literally spend every penny I have, and as long as Salish and Nadal aren't going on a Valentine's date, I'm good.
Salish and Nadal, never gonna end. Made a song back when we were 10. Had to go. She's not getting bent. And I have to go write another song, so I don't know.
Why did you think of that so quick?
But the day we met, things didn't go as smooth as I had planned.
Oh, we're so cooked.
You wanted.
We're so cooked. Well, I'm not worried at all.
What?
I think instead of singing it, you should rap it.
I'm better at singing.
Okay, Needle, I think that when you sing, I have to pretend like I'm crying.
No, I know what you're saying.
Wow.
More
She's so
emotionally
emotionally
connected.
connected to him.
That's exactly the word I just used.
Salish is trying to make herself cry so her reaction will look more emotional for the judge. And if it works, it might just win them the round.
Keep trying.
Trying, I'm too happy right now.
But your eyes are so dry.
Let me see.
This one works better.
It's not that's the object. We can't.
Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats.
No, this is terrible. Just let me know.
All right, we need a different idea. We need something else.
Wait. Didn't we literally write a song?
You're kind of right.
I'm
I mean, it
absolutely
was from when
right.
we were like 10 and 11, but I mean, it would still work.
We're 15 and 16. Like,
we
you don't
wear
go,
these bracelets.
wait,
Okay.
you know what?
Okay.
All right, ready? Little harassment, ready?
Everybody shipping us. Do we ship too? Come on, come in. Everybody shipping us. Wanna know what's true? Everybody shipping us. Maybe we're just friends.
Friends?
Everybody shipping us. Gotta wait until the end. Yeah.
My name is Needal.
My name is Salish.
You all know us better. I'm Nailish.
It's time.
Do I
Oh
look like
God,
I
you're
was
warming up.
crying?
Is that what I'm gonna hear?
Do I look like I was crying?
Yeah, were you crying?
Yeah.
She was crying?
It was really emotional.
Wow, wait, that's gonna be interesting. Each team has one chance to show the emotion in their relationship by wowing the judge with a song. Just wait until you hear what they've come up with. Okay, this is it.
This is gonna be the best song you've ever heard.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Here's your microphone. You have one take. If you don't nail this, you don't get your date. And I know you want to go to Japan.
Yep.
We've had our fair share of tough times. We definitely can agree. But I knew we had to see it through because we surely were meant to be. We've been together to this day. I have no idea how that came to be. Because if I'm being honest, I kind of wanted another he. But I decided you were the one for me. Because he plus she equals we.
Let's go! Let's go! The judge seemed to like Jelliana's piece, but I have a feeling that Nailish is going to bring something really big to the stage. I know I called him Nailish, but Sandy wrote that, so don't clip me.
Guys, I'm not being serious, so don't make fun of me for this. Because I don't want to see any TikToks that I sound terrible, so like, no duh. Obviously I sound terrible. I promise I know. How's everybody in the crowd doing?
Everyone excited to be here? Of course everyone's excited to be here. I don't even gotta
Raise
ask.
your hand if you want to be here.
Whoa. See?
Yeah.
We got the judge over here.
All right, Dad.
Nailish!
Everybody's shipping us. Do we ship too?
No.
Hey, Salish messed up. I gave her the mic.
No, because it's you, then us. It's us together.
No, me, you, us.
No, it's me. It's you,
Okay.
together.
All right, roll it.
Everybody's shipping us. Do we ship too?
Everybody's shipping us. Wanna know it's true?
Everybody's shipping us. Maybe we're just friends.
Everybody's shipping us. Gotta wait until the end. Woo!
My name is Neat Doll.
My name is Salish.
You all know it's better as Nailish. We are out here in LA form.
Sun shines bright and it keeps us warm.
We love acrobatics every day.
Doing flips, doing tricks, California's where we play. Dad takes photos of us for his channel. Creating that you can't handle.
There was one time we got cotton candy. It was on the boardwalk and it was kind of fancy. We're 10 and 11, we wear these bracelets. But
this is our cutie doll. This is what we do.
So you gotta keep watching, see if it's true. Gotta know how it ends. We ain't through.
Everybody's shipping us. Do we ship too?
Everybody's shipping us. Wanna know what's true?
Everybody's shipping us. Maybe we're just friends. Everybody's shipping us.
Gotta wait until the end.
Woo!
That was a banger right there.
Now the judge has to decide who performed the most emotional song. Will it be Eliana and Jensen or Salish and Nadal? If Nailish wins the point, they win the entire challenge and Salish picks Nadal's date for Valentine's Day. If Jelliana wins, then we're going to sudden death and we don't know who's winning. Asala, have you made a decision?
I've come to a decision. But before I tell you guys, I want to just start off on this side. Juliana, I felt like it was very brave to pick a cappella.
Yes.
Was not only brave, but like that's so hard to do, and I know how hard it is.
It's the hardest thing in the entire world.
And you can't forget the split at the end.
The split was
No,
amazing.
I bruised my knee for that.
And then for you guys,
We know we already touched your heart. Yeah, you guys weren't very committed though.
5 years ago, we had to remember.
Hold me back. Hold me back. Hold me back. Hold me back.
Stop.
So yeah, I was actually just gonna say it was very, very sweet, and I felt something from the past come back.
Yeah.
Not only was I moved by everybody shipping us, but I think everybody at home in the audience was too. So,
Yeah! We got this! Yeah! We won! Hey, how do you feel? Oh my god. You gotta get in the green place.
Oh
my god, yes, we won!
Alright, everybody go check out Nino's channel because I'm gonna run him about that. Bye!
Today we are going to do a series of photo, strength, and fitness challenges to see who is the undisputed champion
queen.
My name is Salish Matter. I'm an 11-year-old level 6 gymnast. I beat a 6'9" bodybuilder, a world champion cheerleader, and my dad. This kid is going down.
My name is Nidal Wonder. I'm a 10-year-old freestyle flipper. I beat a team of epic acro gymnasts twice, and Lily Ketchman. This little girl ain't seen nothing yet. You're messing with the wrong 10-year-old.
No, you're messing with the wrong 11-year-old.
Whoa. Round 1, photo challenge. Do something off this.
Oh, this is the thing I do best. Like, I'm definitely gonna win this round. You see that corner right there? I'm gonna go ahead and do a side flip off of it.
Okay, I'll hold this.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, wow.
I don't really like that. I'll do a Superman dive. Those are cooler.
Superman dive. Hurry. Wait.
You ready?
Yeah, okay, ready? Go when you're ready.
Don't make it good.
Make it good.
No, make it horrible.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh! That was so cool.
Oh my God, that looks amazing.
Salish, look at this. Back arch. Okay.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do something on the rail to make it more impressive so he doesn't win.
Put these on, go over here, hold the thing way over split like you're sunbathing. Stand on that thing right there. Hold it. Chin up. There you go, stay right there is great. Yank the leg, yes. There you go. Got it. Boom, you're going down the dog. That's not okay. You don't have to jump again.
That's good.
Yay.
For each round, I'm gonna find a stranger to pick the winner. Every week, we pick a subscriber of the week to feature and give something away. If you like and share this video, you could be next. I think I see 2 strangers to vote for the first round. So we're doing a photo contest. Can I show you each a photo and you guys vote which one won the first round?
Okay. Yeah.
We call this the Superman.
He's gonna win, definitely.
This adorable little girl happens to be my daughter, no favorites.
So we're gonna pick Nidal.
Nidal wins round 1! Uh-oh. Round 2, sack race.
I'm much faster than her in my legs, and I have more of a hop.
Whoa.
I do conditioning every single day at gymnastics on my legs, but otherwise I think he's gonna win.
Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3!
Oh no!
So far, it looks like Nidal's gonna no Salish! Pick it up, Salish! No, get up! Go! Salish, no! It's all over! If you want to see a part 2, give us 100,000 thumbs up and we will do a rematch. Round 3, rings.
What's up?
Whoa!
This is a photo challenge. They each have to do something creative with the rings. Nidal, you're first.
Yes. So I'm gonna grab one ring and then the other one with the other hand, go upside down and then flip off really straight.
Dang it, that is gonna be cool.
Okay, let's see what this looks like.
Can you help me up? You gonna do it?
Oh, I did it!
Push him really far out. Okay, are you ready, Nidal?
Yep.
That's really good, right?
He has to be in my shot since I volunteered to be in his shot. Nidal is not gonna be able to do what I'm gonna do.
Put you in there, you hold on, and then over split. All right, ready, say? Yep. You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please don't fall on me.
Really straighten those knees, and go. Yes.
That was painful, but I can do the same thing.
All right, I'm gonna take a photo of this. Not 100% sure about that, Nidal. Can I ask you to help us out with a judging thing? Could you judge around? The cutest little girl on earth.
That's impressive.
Nidal.
Oh, wow. That's cool too.
Okay.
Consideration, I didn't do a flip off of it.
Take it into consideration, I held it for 10 minutes.
Salish.
This contest is really close, and the winner gets to ride a roller coaster.
Be the one.
My feet hurt so bad. I had to do that a million times. Oh.
That was all me.
Let's find out who wins this thing.
Oh, this guy!
They are challenging each other. Salish Matter. Nidal Wonder.
That's pretty cool.
Salish is down 2-1, so this is either gonna make it a tie score or Nadal's gonna run away with it.
We're gonna have to go with Nadal.
Nadal! I do not agree! Her leg was straight up, the smoke was everywhere.
It was pretty nice.
Can we ask 2 more people and whoever gets more?
Nadal 3, Salish 1. We gotta pick this up or it's gonna be over early. This day is a non-stop game of tag between these two. Make sure to like this video and share it. You could be next.
Oh yeah!
Next round photo challenge using this telescope as your prop. Nadal, you go first. What do you got?
So I'm gonna use this as a prop to fly and it's gonna be epic.
Oh my gosh, right? While you're flying. You gotta get your back leg up just as high. You gotta make a big expression. I'd be rooting for you if you weren't going up against my daughter. Nope, you're going like this. See how that is like your shoulder and...
Don't give her advice. You could just forfeit. That would be too bad for myself.
The photo's not about the pose, it's about the expression, about the story. Go, ah! That's a huge whale out there.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, you nailed that last one. Salish, I'm really rooting for you, but if you don't win this, I think it's over, so you gotta win this round. I don't know what you could do that's that good. That's really good.
I think I can do better. Needles are my specialty. Actually, ring is my specialty.
Hold on, isn't that what you did with the smoke?
Leg hold is my specialty.
No, that's not gonna work.
Actually, scorpion's my specialty.
Good, good, yes, 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 yes. Good. That worked.
I did a couple of different things, but at the end, I finally nailed it.
This photo's gonna win for sure, because I look like I'm flying.
I'm gonna show you 2 photos. You tell me which you like more.
All right.
It's either gonna go to a tiebreaker or somebody's about to win this competition, okay?
Okay.
Nadal.
Wow, you guys are awesome.
Number 2.
Oh my gosh.
Who won that round, Oreo? Salish won that round! Oh my gosh, we're going to a tiebreaker! I'd like to introduce all of you to my production manager, Alex. That's right, he is a cheer specialist from UCLA, and each kid is gonna have to partner with him for the final round.
I want to win this so I can go to the pier and ride the roller coasters and rides. I'm so excited.
He's not gonna win. I think I'm gonna win because I did cheer with Navarro from Netflix.
To determine who goes first in the final round is an arm wrestling contest. Okay, ready? Here we go.
I got her.
Salish!
Let's try, Jordan.
Oh, you want to take me on?
3, 2, 1.
Oh. You think I'm gonna lose to an 11-year-old? Nadal, somehow you beat 2.
He's like this.
Do I feel good about this?
Yeah. Down, and then you jump. And the trick is the reason. Down.
That looked a lot better than his first time. His first time was.
2.
Replay his first time. He threw it in the air. You just went.
Oh! Now you got it.
Throw me as high as you can. That was fun.
Jump
Okay, don't,
really, really high.
Don't in any way throw her as high as you can.
Yeah.
This is freaking me out.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, my arms are perfect with the hand.
We got Victor, he's an acro specialist.
Hello, how you guys doing?
He's gonna vote the final round. Nadal.
Oh, nice extended hand.
Versus the little girl.
Oh, wow.
The tween champion goes to...
Salish.
Okay, Salish won the roller coaster, but come on, I gotta let them both do the ride.
Oh my gosh,
We're next. It was so fun.
so fun.
100,000 likes for part 2.
I want to go again a million times.
Today, my daughter challenges Farhan from the royalty family to 10 rounds of a strength, fitness, and gymnastics competition.
Oh, he's gonna get me.
Plus an epic game of hide and seek to see who is the champion 11-year-old.
Let's go, baby!
The loser will get a messy consequence hidden behind the mystery door. First round, push-ups. 30 seconds, whoever does more wins. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You gotta get down there, get your chest down there. Oh, he took a break. Oh, you could have had it. You could have had it. 5 seconds, keep going. Come on, that doesn't count. Farhan is still going. Oh, Gucci is now sabotaging her. Everybody, this is a fixed thing. It's over, 30 seconds. Whoa! She came in. He told me sabotaged her. Round 1, the winner, and there was a little bit of home court advantage there. Round 1 from.
Let's go, baby!
My check! I'm gonna win this thing because I'm an 11-year-old competitive gymnast. I train 4 hours a day. This kid is going down.
I'm gonna win this challenge because I have home court advantage.
You each have 1 minute to find a prop, and then I take a photo, and we can let Instagram judge whose wins. 1, 2, 3, go!
Follow me, follow me, follow me.
Where is anything?
So we're in here talking about the consequence at the end, and look what the kids are doing.
No, they're trying to listen to our conversation. These two are so competitive. No one wants to lose because the consequence is going to be so good.
What are you looking for?
I don't know! Can't find anything!
Will my laptop work?
Ooh, I've got an idea.
Ah!
Farhan, you got 10 seconds.
Watch this.
Got it!
It would be cool if we got a shot of you in the air as if you're standing on this.
It's gonna fall.
Okay, that's nice if you say yes. You can sit up straight and hold the back. Nope. Oh, that would have been perfect. Go. So close. Go. Oh.
It looks like I'm
Oh my God.
Oh my God!
I was kind of counting on Salish just winning this round.
I am. I'm still gonna win.
You got yourself a challenge, girl. Are you ready for this?
All right, for the contest, I'm not gonna Photoshop that, but then I'm gonna send it to Kellen's World, and you are going to love what he does.
Yeah, don't go on thinking you're so cool or whatever. It's way better than Franz because, I mean, it's just more realistic.
You gotta help Farhan, right? Because she helped you.
Fine.
I want you to put the Cheetos in her toe. It will pretend this is a Cheetos ad. Yes, right there. Nice, yes.
I can do that.
All right, Farhan, let's see what you got. That's not quite the same thing, but it's better than I thought you would do. We put it out to Instagram, and the winning photo is Salish Meta! Yeah!
That was kind of not fair because, you know, it's his followers.
He's got it right there. Okay, anyway, the people voted. The people voted. I'm out of here. I sent both of these photos to Kellen's World, and he worked some magic. Check it out.
If you guys really want to get 2 iPhone 13s, I mean, it's super brand new. We don't even have our hands on it yet. All you guys gotta do is subscribe to both channels, Jordan Matter and the Royalty Fam.
And then like this video and comment done.
Next round is a race. First kid to get all 4 glasses full to the finish line wins this challenge.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
That was only for the color of the glasses. If you spill the glass, you have to refill it in the pool and keep going. You gotta do 10 spins. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 10. The race begins now, go. Ron is already spilling, oh boy. Salish, go fill it up, say hurry. Fill it, go. That looks like it's really hard. Oh no, no, I didn't even touch it. Replay that, that was not cheating.
You touched it.
Salish, take your time. He doesn't even have a glass. This
touched
isn't gonna
it,
count.
though.
Oh no, Salish, get across, yes!
You touched it though. You touched mine.
Replay it. Did I touch it? No, I didn't. I got in your face, but I didn't cheat.
That's cheating.
They're saying my dad cheated, but I totally won that on my own. Let's go.
That round goes to Salish Matter. Next round is a race in the pool. First one to get there and back wins this round.
I'm gonna win this because I've been swimming since I was 6 months old.
I never swim.
By the way, I didn't mention it, but you both doing doggy paddle.
Wait, what? That's so unfair.
1, 2, 3, go! What? Wait, hold on. Is that doggy paddle? Salish, come on, you're giving up. You gotta get back, Salish. Hurry. Stop him. What?
Yeah!
Sandy, replay the underwater footage. I don't think that was doggy paddle. Yeah, I guess it was. He's getting an early lead. I'm concerned. What, Salish, what?
Yo, I'm so proud of you.
That's what you get!
Dad power, let's go!
Yeah! According to Famous Birthdays, these are the 2 most popular 11-year-olds on the planet, so we are going to do a Famous Birthdays challenge. Can you guess the birthday of the famous person? First kid to get 3 right wins this round, and if they get an answer wrong, they have to drink pickle juice. Addison Ray.
26.
20 is the correct answer. And you each have to sip pickle juice. Abby Lee Miller.
22.
Do you have any idea who Abby Lee Miller is? Rebecca
Zamalo.
36.
Farhan gets it right. Piper Raquel.
13.
They both lost. It's 14. Billie Eilish.
37.
For this next round, since they have no idea about birthdays, whoever gets closest wins the next round. Brent Rivera.
Oh, that goes.
No.
No, that's David Dobrik.
And there's a guy who goes. No.
Also David Dobrik. 1, 2, 3.
27.
He's 23. You're closer.
I'll go 2-0.
2-0. Tsunami.
Oh, you just did a collab with her. Oh.
I know. 13.
12.
You got it, Salish. 12. You're right on. It is now 2-1. Mr. Beast.
Oh, Jimmy.
21.
27.
He's 23. This is you.
I am so good.
Okay, that's enough. I don't trust him. He's gonna crash.
See, we didn't get stuck. We're good.
No. Oh, you really want to crash? Ah, you're gonna crash.
How's he as a driver?
Bad.
Arm wrestle. 1 round. If your elbow comes off the table, you automatically forfeit. Arms together. You have to hold hands here.
What? No, we're
Yes.
not.
Why is that weird to hold hands?
Yeah.
You got a locked finger. No, because you've got the.
I wasn't even.
No. You just don't want to hold. Stop.
Hey, no.
My arm is. Why are you?
Stop. I didn't say go. Okay, you guys are driving me crazy. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, this is even. Oh my gosh. Oh. Whoa. Yeah. If your arm comes up, you automatically lose. This round goes to Salish Matter.
I was gonna win.
You were not gonna win. You were not gonna win.
Okay, if you think this is competitive, you gotta go check out the Royalty Family channel after this video because they did a last to leave the pool here and it was crazy. We are not doing a challenge this time. You guys could earn $10 if you can recreate this pose.
Oh, easy. So the top takes way more stomach strength, so I'll be the top. Don't point your toes. Flex. 3, 2, 1.
Try again.
I'll be the bottom. Go.
Okay, ready? Okay. Go.
Big smile, go. Oh, again.
Oh, that hurt.
You got 10 seconds, go. Oh, wow.
Let's go. We missed the high five.
Do you want to go double or nothing?
Double or nothing.
If you can't do this pose, you lose the $10.
Okay.
If you do it, you get $20 each.
Oh.
You've got 90 seconds to recreate
Not
this.
90, not 92.
Go.
Straight up, nope. Okay, you're on his ankles, that's good.
Straighten your arms.
Ready, set, go! Yes!
Oh my God.
Good work, $20 each.
Let's go.
Real money.
Wait, where's Jordan?
Next round, hide and seek.
What?
They each get 2 minutes, they have a vlog camera, and whoever I find first loses. 1, 2, 3, go!
Let's go, baby. Oh my God, I don't even know where I'm going. I don't know where to hide.
This is really unfair because this is Fran's house, so I do not know where to go.
Oh my gosh, I have to win this.
Maybe I could hide in there somewhere.
Can I fit in any of these? Actually, never mind, I can't do this. No, oh my gosh.
Let's climb up the slide and look.
There's not really anything to hide in. Scrap that. Let's go.
55, 54.
He said we could hide in the front yard.
This is so scary. I really don't want to lose you guys.
Here I come! I don't know where to begin with this. Okay, if I was an 11-year-old kid, a little girl maybe, who can do contortion, I would hide myself. I kind of thought she would be in this pillow. Maybe over here. Okay, guys, I'm coming after you. Okay. Is she back here? Wow, okay, what about him? If I was an 11-year-old boy, I would hide in here. That would have been a good spot. Okay. Oh, you know what? There's the whole front.
He's gone. That was so scary. He was right below me. Look. He was right under there.
All right, let's see.
I'm good.
Whoa. Nice Jeep, by the way. You know, Piper has a Jeep. Royalty has, I want a Jeep with my name on it. That would be kind of cool. Sandy, let's do that. No, that's ridiculous. I'm
I'm not gonna do it. They're cool. I'm not cool. Like, I couldn't pull that off. They can. Ah! Oh my God! Ah!
Are you kidding me?
Oh my gosh. You were right there.
I didn't keep on throwing.
Where is Salish? Salish, you won. Where are you?
Right here!
Whoa! I would have like literally never found you.
Is this a good hiding spot or what?
This is huge right now.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, say oh! She's taking there. Nobody has a lead. If Salish wins this round, Ferran gets the consequence. Ferran!
Oh, you knocked my head off.
Okay, Ferran is still, okay, watch out, oh! Salish, you gotta hit 3 in a row. We don't have much time. Hit 3 in a row. You gotta hit, you got 1 second. Anyway,
I won, so easy. Let's go on to the next
Because
one.
you got the good side.
It is now time for the final round. Subscribe to both channels and comment below if you want to win those iPhone 13 blindfolded dodgeball. I can dodge, they're blindfolded. First kid to hit me wins.
Oh, he's gonna get this ball straight to his
I'm gonna
face.
hit him right in the jaw.
This is a test to make sure they can't see. Can't see. I want you guys to spin in 2 circles. When I say go, they go. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Did I hit anybody?
If you hit it, you know. Woo! Come get me. I'm over here. I'm over here. Come on. What do you got? What do you got? You got nothing. Oh!
Did I hit you?
No, nobody's hit me yet. Come on, Rip. Oh, no! Come on, Rip. Oh, no! Salish just hit me.
Wait, I did?
You won, Say.
The consequence.
The mystery consequence is a pie in the face. Are you ready?
Just get it over
Get it over with. Come on, Say, just get it over with. Like, nail it. Okay, go. Get him. What? What?
Yes, thank you so much.
I want you to all subscribe to the Royalty.
We out.